Good morning. Much awaited Monday is here. Finally. Hey guys. Patel bro, good morning. Thank you for being here, man. Achitra, good morning. Swan bro, very good morning, man. As soon as I open to send this link in Discord, just get some random meme. Good morning. Marshall, good morning. David bro, good morning. Sindhu bro, morning. Masrali bro, hi. Bala, good morning. Bala bro. Bye. S- Sahab. Is that, Marshall bro, is that, what does Sahab mean, man? Chef bro, morning. இனிய காலை வணக்கம் Nava. காலை வணக்கம், which means morning, by the way. Any profits in this week? Yeah, man. Last in this week is just starting up. Last week, yeah, sure. Danny, bro, morning, man. Yo, I'm so glad that you're here, bro. Wait today, man. Today is gonna be important because um, you were one of the people who asked me to do this. Uh, I'll announce it today, man. Good morning, Olo, bro. Our weekend was hectic. It's been, I think, 4 or 5 years since, during the course of the weekend, um, I did not get to watch even one episode. Even one episode. So, man, I was so caught up with the course. And, bro, I had to finish it before the weekend, before this day. Um, right throughout the weekend, I worked. I worked until last night, 10:30 at night. Man, it's been one of the most hectic weekends I've ever had, bro. Worked throughout the weekend, man. Guys, yeah, the weekend, I didn't chill even for 1 hour this weekend, guys. Respected sir, morning. Balamorgan, good morning. Give me 1 second, guys. Danny, I'm glad you're waiting, man. Vanakkam Tamra. Hi, Raj. Good morning, bro. Which episode, sir? Patel, bro, I usually watch something or anything just to relax, man. I love watching series and movies and whatnot. But I make sure that I at least watch a few during the weekend. You know, that's my idea of, a beautiful weekend. Spending with the family and a couple of episodes. I did neither last weekend. I mean, for the last 2 days, man. Spent zero time with the family. I didn't even talk to my wife over the phone, man. Which course? Murli, bro. Sorry. Mara. Is it Murli or Marali? Mararali. Mararali. I'm sorry, I'm finding it hard. So I've been developing this course for the last month. That's the course I was talking about, but we'll get to that later. Right now, let's focus on trading. I'll announce it at exactly 7 a.m. this morning. Okay, don't worry, guys. Lizzie, hi. Good morning. Darshan, bro. Good morning, man. Sudhi, Sudhi, bro. Take good, man. How are you? Are you married? Yeah, I am. Yeah, bro. I'm happily married, man. Guys, I've had so much less sleep, man. I'm kind of functioning at 50% capacity at this point. So I completely forgot to do my usual things. Oh my God, what am I doing? All right. So getting back to work here. Let's get it. That's Ash. All right. Sorry, that's stop hunt. Oh my God, I'm so out of it today, man. Um, Center. Yes, there we go. And sorry, guys, I'll come back to the comments. That's Ash right there. All right. What else? Lovely gap, isn't it? Uh, Guys, what was the last trade we took? Okay. Yeah, man. During the weekend, guys, the Friday trade was this. That right there. That was Friday's trade. Okay. What was the Friday's trade again? Hold on. Yeah, that was Friday's trade. And as soon as I got off, so we got off somewhere here during news, right? So because of JPY news, man, nothing happened after the guys. I was so we were actually waiting for the worst thing to happen, but it didn't. Thank God it didn't. So for those of you who held on with that trade, 2 TP, congrats again. That should have been a full TP, guys. Um, for me, I closed it somewhere around here. Yeah, 810, right? 810 right there. Okay. And it went to, and a couple of people actually asked me if that was a valid dash zone right here. See that? To the tick, guys. You guys are right. You guys are learning this. I'm so proud of you guys. That's a beautiful ash zone right there. And that's another trade. If I were trading, again, guys, I don't trade after Tokyo. If I were trading, this is what I would have done. Ash, so let me zoom in. Guys, that's ash zone that was created. That was the breaching candle. That's the entry candle. A beautiful downward closing candle. Very strong. Okay. Entry at the second candle, stop loss above the breaking candle with a 100 pip buffer. And then I even sent that screenshot when someone asked me in DM, like, is that valid? I said, yeah, I'm also looking at it, but I couldn't take it because for obvious reasons, I don't trade after Tokyo. So there you go, guys. Again, for those of you who caught this right after that TP, man, 2 TPs in a day, guys, you guys were rocking, bro. So I'm very proud. I'm still proud. You guys are learning very quickly. It's just glorious to watch. So that was first TP. I don't know why this is just showing 1 is to 2.29, but in spot, we got a TP right here before this was hit. And then Ash Zone again worked perfectly. All right. So what of Friday we had? We look for other trades. We'll do the usual 9 yards, right? As usual, man. Nothing changes. We'll keep going, guys. Any signals today? Yeah. As soon as I get a trade, I'll give it to you, man. Master bro, sends mango lassi. Thank you, man. Cheers. Hi, good morning. So times it feels like giving attendance to your morning school PT teacher who's very strict. And if you don't get ready at 5 a.m., they're gonna punish you. Exactly, Anand bro. I feel like a teacher nowadays, to get to do this every morning with you guys. I kind of feel like an old teacher, man. But PT teachers were not fun in school. They were very strict when it comes to discipline, man. But yeah, I feel that. And Marshall bro sent samosas. Thank you, bro. And tea. We're having a lot of, snacks this morning. Good morning, Crystal Shadow. Hi. Bro, 3 on 3 form. I am actually looking at it. Don't worry. If I get a valid 3 on 3, guys, as usual, I'll let you guys know. Um, yeah, I am actually heavily looking at it. I want, there's one, bro. I just want 3 on 3 to be formed after the session. Even if it's formed, I want it to be valid and tapped during the session, which is right now. Right? I'll let you guys know. Lakshmi Kumar, bro. Good morning. I mean the Friday Ash Zone TP. What happened? Okay. Oh, the 313. Yeah, man. It was mean during the weekend. I mean, last Friday, guys, the 313 got tapped and then fell. Ah, was it? Was it last Friday, man? I'm so phased out this weekend. Don't worry. Don't worry about all that. Everything is gone right now. We'll focus on today. And these are the zones that we worried about this morning, right? That's another stock hunt. Very important day today, guys. All is, Marshall says, all is well. Good morning, Sorry. Good morning from Chrome Page. Have a profitable day. Good morning. Hi from Purel. Thank you. You too have a great day, man. I feel like it will go up. Let's see, guys. Shivlakshmi, hi. Good morning. Good morning, brother. How you doing? Good morning, bro, Michael. I'm doing great, man. How are you? Yeah, see, it's like exactly someone said. It's like, morning attendance. I love it though. How do you, s- how did you spend your weekend? Yeah, I was just talking about it 5 minutes earlier. I was working throughout the weekend. I slept only 6 hours on Saturday as well as Friday night and Saturday night. Man, I usually sleep at least 8 hours because during the week, sometimes I get only 6 hours of sleep. I try to catch up on my sleep during the weekend, but this one was too hectic, man. Can you see this on my face, guys? I'm so damn tired. Is it visible or is this just it is just me that feels so messed up? Sundar, bro, good morning. Hope you had a great Sumit, bro. Yeah, man, great weekend, bro. Worked throughout the weekend after a long time, man. Felt good though. Hi, good morning. Saturday came to your area, went for Suraburi Temple. Oh my God, you did? Man, I've been meaning to go there, bro. How was the crowd, man? My brother actually, my cousin actually went to that temple 2 weeks ago, and he said he waited for 4 hours, you know, before he got to see the main god. How long did it take for you, man? Yeah, that's through my place. I look like a mummy. Is this a valid ash setup according to you? If you have two red candles and two green candles, yes, sir, Michael, bro. Right here. That's if this candle closes, guys. You nailed it, man. If this candle closes red as is, this will become valid ash. Right there. Okay. I want this to close though. It's still not two reds, right? So it's 1.5 minutes left. So let's see, guys. Is this 45 minutes only? Exactly, yes. Oh, okay. So you only waited for 45 minutes? Oh, that's nice. Because I've heard that during the weekend it becomes very busy. Um, yeah. I was actually going to visit this weekend. We could have met there in the temple, but I couldn't. The number of people I said no to this weekend. Guys, my best friend called me up, one of my best friends again. He lives in Chennai. This one lives in Chennai. He goes, for the last 2 weekends, I was trying to meet him, get to his place, but he wasn't available. He was out of town. He called me last Friday. He goes, bro, I'm back. Let's meet. I'm coming to your place. I go, this is the first time in my life. I know him from my fifth grade. Okay. For the first time ever, I go, listen, bro, I'm completely swamped with work. Can we meet next weekend? Man, he was completely shocked. He goes, that's okay, bro. You work, I'll come there. We'll chill for a few minutes. You keep working. I'll talk to you. Well, guys, I'm not that guy. If I'm with you, I'm with you. I don't check my phone. I don't do my work. So I can't just, work as well as spend time with someone else. So I had to say no to him, man. That felt so bad. Yeah. And then my wife's family was supposed to visit. I haven't seen my wife in a couple of weeks now. She was also supposed to visit this weekend, but I was like, well, I'm kind of working this weekend. So I'll have to give you guys appointment for next week. That's why I told her, and she got pissed. So busy weekend, people, busy weekend. You do top-down analysis, the high time frame for lower time frame, 15, like weekly to 15 year strategy. And none, bro, no, man. I don't care about all that, bro. All I'm worried about is what price is doing right now and what price did in the previous session in my own time frame, which is 5 minutes. So nothing much, man. Just playing, don't mind. That's okay, bro. It's all fun, man. I don't mind. Don't worry. I know that you do not like SMC, but let me tell you, your Ash entries coincide with breaker entries. Thanks for the extra effort to be with us despite being tired. I'm learning from you. Thank you, bro. I had no clue that it was a breaker, but I'm happy to know that, man. And guys, regardless of how effed up I am, I'll pick it up again. I'll keep doing this until we get to where we are. It's okay, man. I love working. So I was glad and I was happy that after a long time. I've never had a deadline for the last 3 years. So when I worked in my corporate job almost 3 years ago now, I had deadlines and I had to meet those deadlines, right? But after I became a full-time trader, um, I didn't have any deadlines in terms of, okay, I have to finish this before this. I had my own personal deadlines, but I told you guys that I'll have it ready Monday, right? I like to think of myself as a man of my word. So if I say something, I like to do it. I will try to do it 200% with 100% effort. So that's why I was happy to have a deadline this weekend, guys. An actual deadline to finish something that I started a month ago. Man, that took a lot of work. So very happy and satisfied with the weekend, guys. So I don't want to complain, man. I never complain. I don't, at least I try not to complain. I absolutely love my life. So see, smiling face, Monday morning with 12 hours of sleep throughout the whole weekend. I slept at 11:30, 12, I think, at night. And I woke up at 5, so 5 hours of sleep. And guys, do you know what woke me up? This is the dream I got in the morning, okay? Me and my best friend are trading. I'm trading here. My best friend is on my call over the phone. He's sitting in Singapore, okay? This is what woke me up. Um, so we are looking for an Ash entry. We got the entry, and I couldn't get in because I was still figuring out the lot size for that trade. My best friend got in. The trade dropped like a brick. It was a sell. This is my dream again. Dream. The trade dropped like a brick towards TP. I entered late. Man, it was a night. Look at my nightmares, people. This is how I woke up this morning. I missed an entry. Bro, I woke up. I completely woke up like 15 minutes before my alarm went off. I was like, I missed an entry? God, man, that's a rough way to wake up after a 4 hours and 45 minutes sleep. Man, oh my God. So that was my dream last night. All right, good morning, bro. Cobwell guy, hi, man. There's no two red candles in the ash sell side. So you see this, bro? High was made, two red candles right here. That's all I need, right? So that's two reds for me, two greens for me towards the upside. If this was taken after Tokyo, I would have considered this, Sharad, bro. Right now, all I'm caring for is this shorter zones, right? Shorter zones. And this for me usually is stop and zones, correct? Oops. Because why? Stop and zones have four reds and four greens. So bigger zones. So this is stop on. Okay, so that is what we're working with this morning. Let's see. Balaji bro, good morning, man. How are you, man? What's your view for today's morning? Let's see, guys. I'm waiting for my zones to be tapped, and if and when that happens, I'll look for entries, man. Today or tomorrow, you have to. go to your wife's place because of the RD 18. Happy RD Perikal. Yeah, my bro. Thank you, man. Thank you for saying that, bro. I'm completely swamped this week. But you're right, man. I should get to a place. Thank you for the reminder, man. But I don't think I'll get to a place. I might this weekend, but I'm working throughout the week, yes. I don't do trips usually. But day after tomorrow, I'm having another announcement, so don't worry. For a trip, though. That's for a trip. Coming soon. Jose, Ash is aggressive stop ons, bro. Marshall, I want to ask you about trading. Once I get lost, I'm going to recover it and made more losses. Can you tell me what rules you follow? The same as I follow too, but seen more and more live trading, but I'm unable to connect. Okay, Marshall, bro, I'm trying to understand this question, okay? I want to ask you about trading. Once I get lost, I'm going to recover it. Made more losses. Okay, so you're making losses and you're revenge trading to recover all the losses. Is that what you're saying, bro? So if that's the case, bro, Marshall, bro, this is what I do. Okay, regardless of what happens in my trades, I get I get to take only 2 trades per strategy per day. That's it. So if you have one strategy that you're trading, and excuse me, Ash has been breached, by the way. I'm looking at it. Don't worry, guys. This is how I avoid chasing my emotions. Okay, I have fixed rules. If you have only one strategy, guys, just take the first 2 entries that show up. That's it. Just the first 2 things that show up, 2 entries with the confluences that show up in your strategy, regardless of if it's successful, not successful, you took break evens, whatever the hell it is, you're done for the day. Okay, that's how I approach trading. That's how I stop myself from blowing my accounts in one single day. Guys, the max loss I can take in a day, any given day, is 4 trades. 2 trades per strategy. That happens maybe 2 or 3 times a month, but I'm completely okay with it, man. But sometimes I do take 2 or 3 TPs. That also happens. So, guys, you have to make sure that you control your emotions, you stick to the rules. Bro, that's how you can avoid those losses, man. There's no way that you're going to recover the losses you've made in a single day. I'm not saying no way, but majority of the days you're not. Having that in your mind is going to mess you up. You thinking that, oh my God, I've made losses, I need to recover it. Guys, that's called revenge trading. If you do that, you're going to blow accounts, take it from a person who's done it before. This was 2 years ago. I'm happy that I've stopped doing it, but having the rule of not taking more than 2 trades per strategy actually helps me from completely avoiding revenge trading. Okay, I hope that helps you, bro. Marshall, bro. Ah, yeah, man. Aggressive stop funds. Thank you for saying that. All right, guys, I'm getting back to the comments. Today or tomorrow, you have to go. Okay, I saw that. Thanks, bro, for bringing the positive energy while trading. Wasim, bro. Thank you, man. You guys are awesome, bro. You're welcome. Thank you for saying that, bro. I'm a happy guy generally. Dr. Kumar, good morning. How are you? How's the weekend? New Delson bro says new version of nightmare, bro. Exactly, guys. Listen, before before trading and all that stuff, I used to get nightmares of me going back to school and writing my math exam. That used to be my nightmares. But nowadays, man, my nightmares are completely different, bro. Nowadays, I'm just missing trades. I'm I'm over trading. I'm blowing accounts, something like that, man. It's weird, bro. Ash meaning place, it's aggressive stop hunts. He's talking about driven trading. Yes, sir. I got it. Thank you. Good morning. Hi. So the conclusion is only 2 trades in a day. Exactly. 2 trades in a day per strategy. Okay. That's it. Masha bro, that's all you take. It can be one TP, one SL, or it can be both SLs or both TPs, whatever the case it is. You don't take more than 2 trades. That's it. When you get to this habit of only taking 2 trades, trust me, take it from me, man. Your trading will become much, much, much better because you'll avoid a lot of stop losses. Even if you don't avoid them, you're actually emotionally getting stronger every day because now you're limiting the number of trades you're taking, right? So your chances and the probability of you. Okay, guys, you might get a 3 on 3 here towards the downside. That's what I'm talking about. So 38 seconds, I'm going to lock in here. If this candle closes off as is, you see this, guys? 3 on 3 right there. So let's take the weapon out. 313 calculator. Yeah, there you go. Reset points. That is the entry candle. That's stop loss candle. So 0.20 lots. If this closes as is, I'll be looking for a short entry right there, guys. That's 3 on 3 right there. Beautifully in the morning. So I'll be happy to take 0.20 lots. I'll take it with 0.1. Let's see. 47.14. Hold on, guys. I'm putting a limit order right there, guys. That's 3 on 3 for you. I will explain this. Don't worry. I'll come back to the comments. I'm currently struggling to put this on. Okay. 1505 75. Okay. All right. I'm taking this with $25 because, yeah, man. Okay. I put the limit order there. So, guys, that if price comes back, when price does, that'll be the first entry for the week. That's, again, 3 on 3 entry. Okay. So, let me take that off. And also, when I get a 3 on 3 entry, I won't be looking for longs here because I've already put a short limit order. If price comes back and when it does, I'll hop in. As for the course, I was doing back testing, right? I was doing actually 3 on 3 back testing during the weekend because I was explaining this in the course. Man, I was doing it for the month of November 2024. I ended up that month with, I think, 1 is to 60, and that was insane. Risk to reward. So this strategy, bro, I can't have. Oh, wow. I love the strategy, man. So that should be the first entry. Let's see if we get an entry. Let's see if this holds up. Usually, guys, it should. So let's see. Hold on. Bro, price came above my entry, but I didn't get tapped in, man. What's going on? Tap me in, bro. Come on. Again? Bro, that's so mean. Bro, I should have been tapped in here, bro. See, that should have been the tap, but that's not how I want to start my day. Come on, tap me in. I don't mind taking stop losses, but I mind not getting tapped in. I was so freaking mean. Come on. Are you guys tapped in? Oh, come on. Life of a trade, I guess. Oh, thank God it's coming back. Oh, all right. What is Adi Perika? Sorry, don't mind. I'm new to trading. Guys, Adi Perika has nothing to do with trading, man. Adi Perika is like, oh my God, it's hilarious. It's like a festival, bro. Um, it's a Tamil festival. So, oh, finally I got tapped in. So I don't mind this going to stop loss now, but I hate it when I'm not tapped in. Um, I'm glad we got tapped in. Let's see if this holds, guys. That's again, I risk very less for this trade. As you guys know, very low win rate, but very high risk to reward if it gives us a trade. Let's see, guys. Let's see. So what's the conclusion for only two trades in a day? That is the conclusion, my brother. All right, in and out. Good way to start the month. Okay, there you go. We take the first stop loss for the month. Minus 25 though this time. Yeah, I've toned down the risk because I realized the matter that I've been risking way too much for stop-ons, but I'm gonna increase risk for Ash. Okay. Oh, what happened to Ash? Okay, that's beautiful. Oh, I like that. This is good. This is great news. See that? So, guys, okay. Hold on. I'm gonna explain something to you. You guys see this? This was Ash zone. Okay, focus, people. This was taken. Okay, the next candle, what did it do? It breached next top and zone, correct? So I won't be looking for entries from this zone. So this is negated now. This is what I'm focused on. Right now, this ash zone is white, right? The most recent zone that was tapped is what I'm focused on, okay? So since this was tapped, now I'll be looking for a trade here. Now that I don't have that ash trade right now, unfortunate that price swept TP, sorry, SL, and then now it's pushing downwards. But now I'm open to look for both buys and sells for this stop and trade. Okay. I'll have another setup at 2 minutes and 37 seconds. All right. Let's see. Let's see what we get here. Sad. Sad, bro. Let's see, man. I'll look for my second trade right now, bro. Marshall is like YouTube. 3 on 3. Yes, sir. I entered sell at 40.67. That's awesome. Good morning. Second day joining. Good morning. Shake, bro. Hi. Entered manually, bro. Paul, bro. I usually put my orders in. I don't play with those. If it gets hit, it gets hit. But sometimes, guys, because of the spread, I don't get tapped. Man, that's very bad because 3 on 3 taps me and sometimes it never comes back, and that keeps going throughout the session. That has happened before. Trust me, it's the worst feeling in the world. But I don't try to chase price, guys. I just let it be. I will be disappointed if I don't get tapped in because of spread, but I try not to chase price. But this is very sad to see. This is very sad to see, man. What is that? What is that? That was a beautiful ass setup. Why didn't you take it? Michael, bro, like I explained, the next stop and zone has been breached. So I wait for this 5 minute candle to end to give me a trade, okay? Guys, for now, I'm just gonna take this off so that we're gonna look for this stop on entry right here. You see this? So 51 seconds. Okay, I got to. Oh my God, I'm gonna focus. God, I'm all right. 51 seconds. Let's see if I get a good closure here. I'll be looking for a trade here, guys. Oh shit, man. I hope I don't miss this, man. Nope, I'm not getting this trade, guys. Stop on to breach. Okay, forget about this for a second. That was not valid confirmation for me. All right. So sorry, I'm all over the place this morning. That's stop hunt, right? Remember, guys, after this zone gets breached, I need a very strong candle, a very strong confirmation to hop in a trade. This is weak. Okay, I'm not getting into that. I need strong confirmations if I want to get in. I'm going to wait for this candle to close and then decide if I'm going to get in. All right, guys, 4.5 minutes that will decide if I'm going to get an entry here in this zone, in this stop and zone. Let's see, guys. Today only sell and sell. Let's see, guys. Any update about? So, guys, Badri is actually a she. She is a woman. Even I was confused at first. I thought he was a he, but he's a she. Hope that makes sense. So she has requested her payout successfully. I think she's waiting. She did talk about this during the weekend. Yeah, Patel, bro, she has requested the payout through Rice, I think. 3,646. Congrats again, Badri. So most probably she'll get it. She should have. I'm not sure, man. I didn't get any updates from her, bro. Can I sell? Guys, we the stop I mean the 313 got stopped out by the barest of margins and now price is moving towards the downside. But again, I'll be looking for a trade here in the next 3 minutes. Okay. Be patient. If I get my confirmation with stop on strategy, I'll take it. Okay. Right now, I'm just looking for one. This is interesting. You guys see this? This high was swept. This is spot. Okay. I'm going to show. And you want to see what happened in futures? Nothing. Bro, that high is somewhere up here, bro. Look. What? Yeah. So that's what happened in futures. If guys listen, if this happened in futures, I would have had a sell here. You see this? Stop on tap, next strong candle towards the downside. You sell in the second confirmation candle with 100 pips above as buffer. You're looking for a 1:3 TP. So I would have been halfway to my week, best week so far with that trade. But as you guys can see, it did not happen in futures. Guys, I go off of futures when it comes to trades. So stop hunt was way up there. I didn't get an entry. Unfortunate. But that would have been sweet to be sitting half the TP. Oh God. All right, guys, don't worry. There's other trades, there are other setups. I look for my setups in the futures, right? So it happens. Don't worry. All right. 1.5 minutes for candle close. If the candle closes as is, I'll be looking for a short. Okay. Stop hunt. Reset points. That'll be the entry candle. That'll be the stop loss candle. Okay. I'll have something like that. So 1 minute and 16 seconds for this candle to close. Let's see if I get an entry here, right? GC. Guys, I'm just going to focus here. After I put this on, I'll come back to the questions and whatnot. The risk has to be $100 because I'm going back. I'm over 0.4%. Okay. $100 risk for this. So 0.09 lots if it closes as is. If it closes as is, guys, I'll be getting in. Okay. All right. All right. First stop on trade for the week. Let's do this. All right. He's melting. 28 seconds, people. 0.09 lots if it closes as is for me. 15 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm in, guys. I'm in cells here. 69.8670.8. All right, officially in. Short right there. Stop loss goes right there. All right. Uh, we will try for 1:3 as usual. So that's where 1:3 will end up. All right. So I'm going normal risk on this, guys. I officially went above my -5% in drawdown. So I'm back to normal risk. Actually, I went through midweek last week, but I'm just increasing the risk right now. All right. So that's the trade, people. Let's see what happens this weekend. Sorry, this week. I'm rolling too much this week. All right, let me put the TP in and then we can chat. 105, 315. All right, it's official. Guys, let's see if the TP continues, the number of TPs. All right, let me just make this pretty. There you go. Oh, that's pretty. All right, that's it. Now it's up to trading gods on whatever he wants to do. I'm back. I'm back to the chat. Have you come across any expert trader who every day takes almost 1:8 and 1:10 in 1 minute to 5 minute time frame? Definitely 1 to 2 stop loss is possible, but compares his ARA, he will be far ahead with this winning risk to reward. Bro, I haven't come across anyone who does that for a living. 1:8 to 1:10 every day. Hats off to him, man. And bro, that's amazing, man. I'm on the sell side, then you should be in the straight. Then I should be in the sit. Ali, bro, if if you like it, man, it's up to you. What's your strategy, guys? I forgot about that. I'll send the strategy videos, links in the chat. Don't worry. Hold on. I forgot. Copy. I'm sending the strategy videos right now. Oh, wrong account. Badri sent an image. I'm excited to see this actually. Let's go. You got the payout? Congrats. My God, congrats. Guys, she got the payout, man. Patel, bro, she got it, bro. She got the payout. Guys, Padri came into the community, I think 3 weeks ago. She got her first payout after passing her first 100K account with the community. Man, I'm very happy for her, man. I'm very. I can't spam emojis here. My God, I have to do it. That's awesome. Padri, again, congrats. Mighty congrats to you. That's amazing. What was I doing? I completely stopped what I was doing. Oh, I was sending the link, right? Oh God. I'm so bad at this, guys. I'm so happy for Badri right now. Wow. All right, links. There you go. Those are strategy links if you guys want to watch it. Just it's just short, so 30 seconds each. On got in at 47 and TPS 40.48. Oh, that's great. My TP is sitting at 40.27. Let's see. Okay, which one should we follow for trade setups, comics or futures? Patel bro, I look for my trades and setups in the futures because that's what I think it works much better for our strategy. The backtest that I've done actually actually works much better in futures. So I try to follow futures, Patel bro. Ali, it's up to you, man. If you want to be in the trade, I am in the trade, bro. So as simple as that. If someone is using a mentor strategy to trade in a funded account, does it count as copy trading? No, nope. Copy trading is when you manually copy trade the account, but this is not copy trading. If you're following a mentor, who's going to know that you're following a mentor, right? As long as you're taking the trades, I don't think that comes under copy trading per se. But if 3,000 people are taking entries at the same area, same exact tick, then they might look at it. But I think you're good. Don't worry. TP is right here. Sorry, I'm just looking at the messages, guys. Congrats to Badri. Yeah, which prop firm is this? That's Funny Pips, I think. Good morning, Nisha. Hi. Congrats and well done. Yeah, I'm very happy for her. She said, I think it's a first payout with Funny Pips. Totally over the moon. And she also gave credit to me, and I was like, I was shy. That was the first time that happened. So I'm a very shy person, you know. Thank you, brother. Sir, teacher, from today I will take only two trades from the day. I hope it will work. Marshall, bro, I hope it works for you, man. All the very best. Guys, if you want to be successful in trading, you got to have the discipline to do it every single day with a fixed set of rules. Once you follow that, you'll get better, guys. I've, I've actually, I did have a rough patch a couple of 3 weeks ago with this account and with this strategy. I've pulled this account back from -8% in drawdown. Now we're at -4. So we've gone up 4% in this account by just risking 0.2%. Guys, trust your edge, trust the strategy, follow the rules, put down the risk for a bit until you get to break even, at least. Uh, it will come. Marshall, bro, don't worry, man. You'll make it. Good morning, Chad. Hi. I'm 250 plus. Ali, bro, congrats, man. I'm sitting in sell from 40.69, 3 on 3. I didn't put my sell, so my trade is running. Marshall, bro, that's so bad, man. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. You're sitting from here, but always have a stop loss, guys. Always. Don't blow your accounts, man. Don't do it. I've moved up my TP to 40.28 as well. Been watching you. You're an excellent trader. Ali, bro, thank you so much for saying that. Means a lot, guys. I try. I'll keep executing. We'll eventually get there, okay? One good trade or one bad trade is not going to define a trader. So, guys, you do it for the longest period of time. Yeah, we have got an amazing patch in the last 3 weeks, but I did have a rough patch right here. Guys, it's a part of trading. You got to understand that this last 3 weeks has been dreamy for stop and strategy and Ash. I have no words to explain this. But guys, there is going to be bad days. There is going to be good days. You just have to reset and keep doing this day in and day out. So eventually, you'll get there. All right. You said buy from Ash. Shouldn't this be a buy instead on the short you shared? Bro, Ash did not give me an entry up here, right? I told you guys the next stop and zone was breached. So when two zones are breached with the same setup, I only look for trades from the second and the most recent breach. So stop hunt was breached after the Ash zone, remember? So that's why I waited for that to give me a trade. So this is the stop and breaching candle. This was a dud for me because I didn't get the confirmation on the second candle, which is the 6 a.m. candle. But the next candle, which is the 605 candle, gave me the entry that I was looking for. A strong down closing candle, a strong down closing candle towards the downside. Okay, that gave me the confirmation. That's what I look for when price comes to my stop and zones and ash zones. I got the confirmation, I'm in an entry. If it goes or not, it's up to trading gods, right? We keep executing like the last 3 weeks, we should be getting the results, okay? So we get 4 trades per day. This is my second trade for the day. I still have 2 more. Let's see. All right. Happy morning to beautiful people. That's awesome. So lovely to hear that. And do you run your trades till TP or do you trail? I run my trades to TP. I don't take break evens. I don't take partials. Full TPs. I go all in and it's go big or go home for me. What's your all-time P&L? No clue. I don't look for all-time P&Ls. I should be in the negative if I'm talking about all-time P&L. Yes, I'm still in the very early stage of my trading careers. Um, if you look at this, you'll know it's right here. We are at even the early stage of YouTube, 1,900 subs, very very early in terms of my YouTube career too. So we're gonna build this together, man. Um, Badri has got our first payout. Proud. Um, I'll get mine soon, and then we'll do it together, guys. Always. 6:30 candle hope in our favor today. Marshall, bro, yeah, man. I'm hoping for that too. 8 minutes for 6:30 candle open, guys. Let's see. First time here watching from Uganda. Keep the good work up, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you for being here, bro. Means a lot to me. Thank you for saying that, man. What's the time there in Uganda, my brother? I shot it at 40:75. That's awesome. Dr. Kumar, let's see. Josh, bro, yeah, man. 6:30 is coming. I take my trades, but I still listen to you. Listening to you makes me feel good and positive. You're like a friend to me. Ali, bro, thank you, man. You're also like a friend to me, bro. Hello, Praveen, bro. Good morning. Guys, doing live has made my days a lot more eventful and happier. Trust me. I'm very, very happy people. How to be like Badri and how she started. I'm new to the community. If you want to replicate Badri, this is what she did. Okay, I'm giving you the roadmap. I think she was very, very fortunate to have come into the community at the right moment because listen, I had a very so I took a vacation last month, like for 4 days. I missed 3 TPs. Okay. I missed another trade at the end of the month. Okay. And I had a rough patch. I had all this going on in my account. Okay. Badri comes in. I think, was very lucky to have come in when she came in. I think she came in at this point, mid July. I'm not sure. I should ask her, but somewhere around here, she only focused on Ash and stop and entries because, guys, again, fixed TP, um, very much higher win rate, but 1:3 rest to watch with this. Man, she took the trades with me. She learned, she executed with the right risk 0.5% to 0.6%. She held on her trades until 1:3s, full TPs. And I think she passed her account somewhere here. And the last 3 trades she took in her account, last 3 TPs in her funded account, 100K, she got a payout, bro. Very disciplined, man. Very, very disciplined her. So, guys, if you guys want to replicate, sorry, if you guys want to replicate her results, you can just follow the stop hunt and ash trades with me. Just risk 0.5% per trade, and also wait for full TPs like me. That's the exact thing that she did. Congrats to her. She made it. She got the first payout. There you go. That's the roadmap. Guys, 5 more minutes for 6:30. If it's in our favor, that'll be amazing. Sundar, bro, let's see, man. Nidhi, bro, hi, man. How are you, bro? Happy to have you, bro. Yo, did you go to Spider-Man, bro, Nidhi? Did you watch the movie, man? Bro, I heard it's very, very good. Did you see it? I have to say it. You have such a positive energy to yourself. Please keep smiling like that. I'm a beginner myself, too. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Guys, try to spread love and happiness. That's what I'm here to do. That's what I try to do in every setting of my life, regardless of any situation I'm in. I try to do that. So thank you. Thank you for acknowledging that fact. Guys, if there's no happiness, if there's no love, there's nothing else in life, man. Um, Always be positive, people. Be kind to others in the community and in the chat. If someone is struggling, help them out. Don't be mean. Always. Guys, that's what I try to, you know, I want my community to be like that. Always be positive to others. If someone is struggling, if someone is taking revenge trades, don't be mean and don't be harsh towards them. They might be very new to trading. Guys, when you're very new to trading, you are prone to do all that, right? We've done it. You have done it. I've done it. We've all done it. So let's try to teach him that it's okay to go through that phase, but always try to stick with the rules and all that stuff, right? Always be kind people. And if I see someone being mean, or I will give a warning though, but next time I'm kicking them out. Okay? No scammers, no mean people, just a healthy and happy community, right? So I'm in South Africa and it's 3 a.m. now. I woke up at 2 so I could watch you and learn. Jason, bro, my God, man. 2 a.m. Thank you, bro. That means a lot to me, man. Wow. Wow. You guys make me freaking emotional, man. Now, guys, I cannot do it. I personally, if even if you pay me $1,000 every day to wake up overnight, I can't do it, man. I've the number of offers I've declined in terms of work in corporate jobs just because it was early morning work. I'll never do it, bro. But hats off to you guys to, catch the live session early morning. Thank you so much for doing it. Girls are always luck in this world. Just kidding. Patel, bro. Yeah, man. I'm glad that you're kidding, bro. Guys, 6:30 in the next 2 minutes. This is going to be amazing. If we have the 6:30 in our direction, we will take the TP, man. Let's see. Let's see. We're hoping for it. Let's go. 6:30 has been in the fence. I think in the last week we got three TPs with 6:30 candle. Like as soon as 6:30 hit, we got three TPs, and we got one stop loss. I think in the last week. So 6:30 has been good for the past week. Let's see what happens today. Let's see. I'm waiting. Nidhi, bro, you watched the movie twice? You kidding, bro? I think Badri bought luck for you. Exactly. Rajesh, bro, I think she did. I think she did, man. She's amazing, bro. I'm going for a walk. We'll be listening to your live session instead of music. Guys, I don't know, man. I'm so happy. Thank you for saying that. Good movie, bro. Third is superb. In 3D is superb in Dolby. Oh, I'll definitely watch it, guys. My best friend is coming this weekend to India. We're gonna go to the movies together, man. It's been a long time since we went to a movie. I'm gonna watch it with him. We're gonna have some fun, people, this weekend. Let's go. Guys, 6:30 is almost here. Actually, I love this movement before 6:30 because it's slowly trickling down. Man, if we get a TP today, man, again, amazing. All right, you're a pocket full of sunshine. God bless you. Ali, bro, thank you so much, man. Means a lot to me. 3 minutes to go. Yeah, bro, Sherry, let's go. And when will you be bringing your course? I blow my account a lot of times in the last 2 years. Couldn't be focused so much, emotionally involved. Bro, listen, at 7 a.m. this morning, in 30 minutes, I'll launch the course, man. That's the time. So if you want to take a break now and come back, guys, 6:30 is here. Let's see. Come on, baby. Give it to me, please. It's Monday. We need it. Marshall bro didn't keep a TP for 313. He's still in this trade. So give him that TP. Marshall bro, I'm praying for you, man. I'm praying for you. 6:30 is in our favor. Finally. Let's go. Come on, I like that moment initially. Let's go. Same bro in Moscow now. Didn't sleep last night. Will sleep after Tokyo. Josh, man. Thank you, man. Good morning. Jashri, hi. How's the weekend? Happy to see you. Thank you for joining. Come on. 6:30 is actually pushing in our favor. And then now, let's see. Come to Tiruchi Dolby Cinemas, bro. Sundar, bro, okay. Spoiler, I might come this weekend. Not this weekend, next Tuesday, though. I'll let you know. You are a good human, bro. Have a strategy, but love to hear you. Bless you. Thank you, man. Thank you, man. Means a lot, my brother. Dilshan, bro. Thank you, man. You guys have been very kind to me. All love. You know, I'm very happy, man. I'm very happy that I get to meet you guys. You guys DM me with all your stories, man. I'm very happy. Very blessed to be doing this with you guys, people. Let's see, man. How to access course? It will be on the website. Patelji, patience, people. At 7 a.m., I'm gonna give you the link in Discord. If you haven't joined in Discord, go ahead. The link for the course, I'm gonna unveil it in Discord, as well as the coupon code for the first five people, the lucky five, and everything else is gonna be on Discord. So don't worry, I'll give you the details. Okay. I am today the billionaire. Marshall, bro, if this goes to TP, so guys, listen, this is 6:30 manipulation, okay? It will manipulate it towards two sides. That's the first 4 hour candle of the day of Tokyo. So look, initially it went down and after that it went up. This is what it does. Don't be alarmed. Don't give emotions to it. Let it do whatever it wants to do. Eventually it will settle on maybe going down or going up. So just stay calm. Don't worry about, spikes here or there. Guys, at the end of the day, it's either going to be a TP or a stop loss. A stop loss, you're only going to lose 50 or $100 depending on how much you're risking per account. But TP, you're taking 300 or 150. Okay? Don't worry about it. Even if you take three stop losses after one TP, you're break even. If you're going for full TPs like me, right? Always trust your strategy. Do not stress on small spikes in market or small things that happen. As long as there's no news. So sorry, I forgot to check news. What's today? Today is the 3rd of, okay, next week, right? So today is the 3rd of August. I completely forgot to check news. Okay. We have orange folder in the evening. Right now in the morning, we don't have any. For Australia, it's bank holiday. Yoo-hoo! Why? Bank, okay. Australian bank observance of, bro, they're, look at this, man. Guys, listen. They're observing bank holiday. I mean, come on. So they have a bank holiday as a bank holiday in a year, man. I don't know what that is. So they're celebrating bank holiday. I don't know what the hell that is, but yeah, down. Okay. Welcome, man. Thank you, bro, Sundar. The 6:30 candle did the same thing last time. She did the same. Did she? Bro, I love 6:30 sometimes and I hate 6:30 sometimes. She's actually pushing towards the downside, which I like to see. Let's see, guys. If this is a TP, man, this is the first trade I'm taking with normal risk after a long time. I think not the first one, the third risk. If this goes to TP, guys, I'll fly off into the sunset towards break even in my account. Okay. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'll have another trade with the normal risk, even if it doesn't. Let's see. We have two more trades. Today is going to be eventful, people. Kindly make one section on Discord as payouts so people will post their payout success. Anand, bro, I have it as I have it known. See, profits. This is where people usually post their success, as you guys know. And did you guys see this? I did this last night. Welcome to Trader's Edge. I shouldn't be saying this now, right? Hold on, hold on. There's still 25 minutes left. I'm jumping the gun. That's the course name, by the way. Suspense, people, suspense. Just 60 subs for 2K. Congrats, bro. Thank you, man. Nidhi, bro. We're getting there, man. We're getting there, bro. Eventually, we'll get there, bro. Guys, it's all because of you. I've got 55 likes for the stream. It's all the love from you guys that makes me grow. So we're growing as a community. It's not myself. Okay. Remember the promise that I made you. Whatever I get from YouTube, whatever the paycheck it is, from the first paycheck to the lifetime of my YouTube, I'm going to give 5% away to the community. Right now, guys, I'm going to refresh this again. We're growing slowly but surely. We are sitting at $42 right now. I'm not sure when this is going to go up to 100. So when I get $100 payout, the first giveaway I'm going to do is $5. That's where we start. Okay. Anything and everything I make with YouTube, I'll give you guys 5%. So we'll do like a lucky draw thing. Okay. I'll let ChatGPT pick 1% in random during a live session. Whatever the paycheck I receive, I'll show it to you as usual, 100% transparent. And that lucky person will get that 5% of my paycheck. Okay. It's because of you guys. I'm sharing my profits with you. Okay. Can we enter, man? It's up to you, bro. Congrats, bro. But you revealed. I'm sorry, man. I should not have revealed that. But I already sent it in Discord, right? It's out there to be seen. Yeah, man. Bro, 120 SL. How, man? It has not gone to stop loss, bro. Excellent. Thank you, bro. Guys, I love to share my success with you guys because you get to see my failure, right? I'm also sharing that with you. But when it comes to success, why not share it with you people? You people are awesome. You guys make me smile every single day. So Dr. Kumar has to leave now. Okay, that's okay. I'll see you. I'll see you in a bit. Have a good day, sir. Viewers not doing like and subscribe, kindly request them. And bro, if they like what they see, if they get to know me better, if they see that I'm as transparent as I can be, they'll eventually like me. They'll eventually like the stream. They'll eventually subscribe. So if they like what they see, they can definitely do it, right? Guys, I don't like to ask things. Sorry, I don't like to ask things in life. If you're doing good, if you're doing good work, if you're trying to help people genuinely, I personally think that people are going to like you, people are going to come towards you. Um, if you're doing good work, God will help you. That's what I believe. So we'll keep doing what we're doing. We'll try to help as many people as possible along the way. If people like us, if people want to be a part of our community, they definitely join. Because guys, Discord, um, right now, 53 people online and two 218 people offline. So that's a community of almost 370 people. We are building a beautiful community out there. I'm very happy. We are growing in a good pace. I'm happy, man. I'm very, very happy. Oh yeah, I understand that, bro. And bro, you're telling me to tell them to like me, like my stream. Nah, man. Yes, listen. I know that if you like the stream, you're gonna like it, right? You know, click the like button. So there's no point in me telling you guys to like it every 5 seconds or every minute. So I just leave it up to you guys. If you like it, if you like me, if you like the stream, you can go ahead and like it, right? So yeah, man, I like to keep it authentic. I don't want to, even with the course, guys, I'm going to be very, very honest with you. Listen, even with the course that I created, guys, I have no intentions of giving out my secrets. Okay. I had no intention before I came to live. When I started doing my live sessions, when people started DMing me saying, bro, we are in the same boat as you. Guys, I haven't passed my first account. I haven't got my first payout. Okay. Don't get me wrong. I'm no guru. I'm no trading guru out there. All right. Listen, I'm a trader like you. I'm trying to make this for the last 9 years. All right. So the secrets of the strategies of stop hunt as well as 313 is something that I figured out, I think 6 to 7 months ago. And my trading trajectory has changed quite a bit. So I was blowing accounts. I was blowing a lot of accounts before I figured out both of these strategies and the right risk management and the mindset to do it. So after I started doing the live sessions, people have been asking me to make a course. So even when it comes to the course, even my nephew asked me for the course. He was like, he's in the 11th grade. Okay, he's my sweet little nephew. I love him so much. He looks up to me as a mentor. As I think he looks up to me more than his own father, man. So he means a lot to me. He was like, Mama, can you make a course for me? And I was like, okay, I'll do that. And I did get a lot of requests in DMs to make a course. I wasn't going to do it. But the reason why I'm telling this now is because I am not going to advertise it. Okay. I see people advertise this thing every time they come in, live, or every video that they do. Guys, I'm not going to do it. This is for selective people who want to actually learn from my strategies. And I just don't want to be that guy who sells courses for a living. Guys, nope. I'm not that guy. Okay. I've made it. It's going to sleep aside it's going to sleep aside in the Discord. If someone asks me about it, I'm going to answer questions, but I'm not a guy who'll go out in YouTube videos saying, guys, I got a course now. You guys, go and take it. I'll give you 50% discount. I'm not going to be that guy. Okay. I'm going to say this once at 7 a.m. I'm going to give out that course, and whatever the hell happens after, I don't care. All right. Um, so like usual, I'm not going to ask people to to like my stream. I'm going to thank them though. Thank you for liking my stream. Thank you for subscribing. That I'm going to do. But I don't ask people to subscribe. I don't ask people to like my streams. It's up to them. If they love it, they're going to do it either way, right? And in the same way, I'm not going to ask people to buy my course. Nope. It's up to you. If you like it, if you want to learn, go ahead. If you don't, please don't, because I've priced it in such a premium way so that not time pass traders don't get their hands on it. I don't want this, my 9 years work, my whole life of 9 years that I've put into that course to become a trophy for these part-time traders. Nope. That's too valuable for me. I've spent 1 month on this course because, listen, I don't half-ass things in my life. I put my heart and my soul into everything that I do. Like you guys know, I've slept 5 hours last night. I'm giving my 100% in this live session because I give my 100% when it comes to anything and everything that I do. Okay. That course, I've put in everything. Guys, I've slept for 10 hours in the last 72 hours. I think more than that. Okay. I've given my everything. So I've given my part. It's up to you guys to acknowledge it and take it. I'm not going to push it down your throat. That's not me. All right. I'm going to stop blabbering now. But I just want to make things clear before this comes out. Not for the money, but for the people. Danny, bro, huge respect, man. You actually inspired me too. After my nephew, sorry, you inspired me to do this course because you guys get here, with me, stay here with me throughout the night to watch me trade and to learn from me. Man, that means a lot to me, man. That actually means a lot to me, more than any money that you're going to spend, more than the monetary gains. You guys just being here means a lot to me. So that course has been dedicated to people like you, man. People who want to make it. Um, I've taught everything that I've learned in the last 9 years in that course. So I'm going to stop now. And guys, 7 o'clock, I'll release it. After that, I'm not going to talk about it. If you ask me a couple of questions, I'll briefly reply to you guys on the course, but you'll never see me advertise it. Okay. That's it. Sorry for the rant. I had to put it out there, man. Because listen, I don't want to be that guy who sells courses for a living. I'm not that guy, man. I'm just a trader like you people trying to make it in trading. I'm 100% honest. I haven't made it in trading yet. I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to do it because I have the mindset now. I have the strategies now. You know, Badri actually did it with my strategy, with me, right? So, guys, everything is there. It's just a matter of time before we get successful. I know I will make it in trading and in life. So, travel with me. That's all I ask from you, okay? I'm sorry, man. I didn't see the comments. I'll go back to it. Sorry for the rant, if it was a rant. For those of you asking about re-entries, Arvind doesn't give re-entries or pyramids. If the price is near the entry point, then you can enter. So as far as you're willing to take the risk. Sherry, bro, thank you for saying that, man. Sometimes I go off rail. Thank you for saving me, man. You're very genuine gentlemen as a community. You all grow together. Love you, man. Thank you. Thank you so much for saying that. 76 likes. Let's go. 89 likes. See, man, if people like what they see, they're going to like the stream, right? That's why I don't ask things from people because eventually they're going to like it. Eventually, if they like it, they're going to like me, like the stream and all that stuff. So most times people can forget to like because they're carried away with the fun they're having on the live stream. So simply nudge or simply or something to remind them to like, you're not conquering. Oh, you're not coercing anyone. Thank you, man. Yeah, Michael, bro, I totally agree, man. Your course is going to be on YouTube, right? Nope. My course is going to be on WAP. WAP is a platform that you can buy courses from. Guys, you're making me jump the gun. So wait for another 13 minutes. I'll talk about all the intricacies of the course. Okay, don't worry. Excellent calculation. Your course, okay. Thank you. Where do I get your course, please? Daniel, for 13 more minutes, people. Hold on. Hold on with me. Yes, really impressive. Thank you. I watch your stream 3 to 4 times a week and I forgot to like because I always have fun. Immediately you talk about the progress of the channel. That's why I reminded I remember to like. I've subscribed for many. Oh, I've subscribed from day one. Michael, bro, thank you, man. It means a lot. Thank you for saying that, though, bro. I just went on that rant because I want people to understand that I'm not a guy who asks for likes or subscribes or even, you know, to buy for them to buy the course. So, but man, thank you for saying that, bro. Yeah, I should be reminding people, but I usually like thanking people when they, like the course. Sorry, like the stream. So, for those of you who've already liked the stream, thank you. You have talent, money will come to you, but when you demanding money, you're like others. Everyone on YouTube asking for money. What if someone not able to buy the course? Marshall, bro, it's up to them, right? Guys, me personally, man, guys, I've invested more than $5,000 in courses during the last 9 years, okay? And for funded accounts and for challenges, I've invested more than $6,000. So in the in the pursuit of actually trying to learn and to understand trading, until this point, I've invested more than 11,000 USD. I'm talking about 11,000 USD. So it takes effort, money, time, patience, discipline to make it in trading. This is my journey. You guys don't have to do it. I'm not asking you to buy the course because it's completely in a premium segment. I've kept it in that way because it's my 9 years work. I don't want a part-time trader to put their hands on it. Nope. I don't. I want serious people to take it because if you're serious, if you want to understand what trading is and do it for a long time, then you invest in yourself. I've, like I said, I've invested more than $11,000. That didn't bother me because at the end of the day, guys, if I figure this out, I'm going to be set for life. My generation, my family is completely set for at least a couple of generations. That's how I view trading. If you guys want to invest in yourself, you can get it. If not, don't do it, man. I'm telling you not to buy the course myself, bro. Don't buy the goddamn course, okay? You don't have to, okay? I want to make this clear, guys. Don't, please don't do it. If you don't want to invest in yourself, I've done it. I've seen a lot of people do it. I'm not here to sell a course again and again. I want to make these things. I want to make it clear. Don't buy the goddamn course. Don't do it. Okay. That's just all I want to say, man. I don't want to go about this. I don't want to. I don't want to justify, the pricing and all that, multiple times during the course of, my YouTube. I just want to say it once and then forget about it. If you guys want to take it, take it. If you don't, I understand, man. You don't have to. All right. I hope you guys understand that fact. How do I get your course, please, Daniel, bro? I'll tell you, no, man. Bro, normally I did London and New York session looking for different YouTube, but after watching your live, bro, I switched. No question. I asked. Danny, bro, you're awesome, man. Thank you so much. Guys, wait for it. I will give you all the fee structure and whatnot. Where do I get the course? Hold on, people. I'll give it to you. Good evening from here. I took a stop loss hunt in UK session on Friday. Took 1:3 return. Hola, bro. Congrats, man. Congrats on taking that TP from stop hunt. I'm so happy, bro. You guys are learning from stop hunts. That's awesome. You're 100% correct. Paul, bro, thank you. Where do I get the... I'll come back to it. Guys, 9 more minutes. I'll give you everything that you need, okay? Hold on. 3 on 3 indicator. Yes, I'm going to give that indicator today in Discord, okay? After I complete... Sorry, I should be giving it right now. Let me text my best friend, man. I don't know how to give that out for free. Hold on. Give me 1 minute. I promised you guys I'll give you the 3 on 3 indicator for free today. I'm going to do it. I'm a man of my word. I'll do it, man. I've texted my best friend. He was the one who created it. I've asked his permission to give it to my community for free. I'm going to do it. I'll wait for his reply to come in, and then I'll definitely give it out for free, man. All right. Is there a summary what you get in the course? Christian, bro, I'll actually go through the summary with you live. Eight more minutes, people. Like, what are the perks, indicators, and stuff? Exactly, bro. I'll give you the rundown, man. I respect you, brother. I'm learning from you. Marshall, bro, thank you, man. Trust me, sir, we will be having 5,000, then 10,000, then go on to 5 million in 5 months. I can feel. Okay. Thank you. Patel, bro, thank you so much, man. Guys, we will grow slowly but surely. We will keep doing the right things. The one above is always watching. That's what I think. You guys can call him by different names, but I completely believe in God, guys. Danny, your buffer saved my TP on Friday. Look at how close it was. Danny, bro, man, that's why, guys, this is Danny, bro, in the chat. Okay. I always talk to people about buffer. Look at that. Having a buffer always works. Oh my God, that was close, my brother. Congrats, man. That's fire, bro. Okay. How much will it be? I'll tell everything to you guys. Guys, hold on. 7 more minutes, man. I'll give every detail. Don't worry. In which window of Discord will you post the coupon, bro, for the course? Guys, I am going to. So this is Trader's Edge. You see this? You see this, Trader's Edge. This is where I'm going to post the coupon and whatnot. Okay. Be ready. I just have 5 coupons. I'll talk about it, man. For God's sake, 7 minutes, please. Which, okay. How will you get the course? God. Please tell about 9 years, bro. Still new, not funded. How you bear the drawdown heartbreaks, bro, please. Dilshan, bro, listen. Guys, 9 years has been, okay, I'll tell you how it started, okay? 2017, I'm out of, 2017, I'm out of my UG. I went abroad to learn. I'm sorry, to earn. I went to Canada for to earn. Okay, this is the story. Before 6 minutes to story, okay, 6 minutes to 7 o'clock. Then I'll give you the details on the course. Right now, Dilshan Bro asked me the 9 years journey. Okay, this is what I did. I started learning about trading in 2017. I was learning stocks initially, bro. I read around 20 books on stocks on how to trade and whatnot. I've also read Intelligent Investor twice. Didn't understand jack shit from it. Okay, could not understand a word from it. My brain is not wired that way. I need things to be simple for me to follow and whatnot. And I read this book called Rule One Investing. That's when my trading journey changed completely. It took me almost 3 years to try to understand, backtest, read all those books, and figure out a way to invest money into stocks. 2020, I started investing money into stocks. As soon as I invested, my stock fell because I was still new, right? My stock fell to 50% minus. I waited for 3 years for it to come back. In the meanwhile, I was still learning trading. Yeah, I messed up the entry for that, but the companies were really strong. So I know for a fact that it's going to come up. Okay. So I was waiting for the next 3 years and also learning. And I stumbled into BTC. So cut and open, you see BTC coming in at me at high speed from the stratosphere. BTC was really kind to me. I was trading BTC without a stop loss, a very big liquidation gap. Pretty successful, man. It was a bull run with BTC back then. Made a ton of money with BTC. And then I lost a ton of money with BTC and then figured out, okay, this is not trading. I'm gambling because trading without a stop loss is not trading itself. So, um, yeah, I have to see the messages. So I figured out that if you don't have a stop loss, you're going to blow your accounts like how I did. So I stopped BTC at that point, and then I was like, nope, I need to do this right. I have to, you know, learn trading the right way with the stop loss and with the proper strategy. That's when I got into, forex trading, gold trading, and all that stuff. It's been 3 years, okay, with trying to figure this out. I passed my first phase after 2 years and 6 months. First phase, I passed my first phase of a funding account after 2 years and 6 months. Okay, it's not been an easy journey, guys. It took me a long time to do it, but now I understand it's not just the strategy, it's the risk management, it's the trading psychology, and it's the strategy together, right? It took me the whole of 9 years to understand this, and it's been rough, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Guys, there have been months where I haven't had a single dollar come in to my bank account. I was very, very grateful for BTC to have given me a good push towards trading, because without that money, I would not have survived. And without my family and my best friend, I would never have survived this journey. Guys, I've not done this alone, man. I have had my best friend to my side throughout the whole damn journey. We've done this together. Without him, man, I would have stopped a long time ago. Guys, no words. Have a friend like that. Find a friend like that in the community. Trade together, grow together. Without a friend, man, it's going to be almost impossible. I've seen people do it alone. Hats off to those people, man. If you don't have someone who trades with you, and if you don't have someone to vent all the shit you go through as a trader, only a trader will understand what you go through, man. Some common person on the road, on the street, they don't understand, bro. They will never understand the hardships of a trader. Man, I was so fortunate that. Hold on. No emotions, no emotions. Come on, we're live. God sakes. Yeah, man. It's, it hasn't been easy, bros. So we live. Relax, Arvind, relax. Come on. Let's talk about something else, man. Come on, man. I don't want to do this live. Come on. If my mom sees this, she'll kill me, bro. Guys, it's happy tears, man. I'm blessed. Uh, all right, guys. Let's continue that story sometime else. 10 more seconds, and I'll come back to it. I was just trying to say that I'm happy, man. I'm happy. I've been blessed to have my family that supported me, my best friend who did. All right, it's 7 a.m. I'll follow up with my promise. Okay, guys. Traders Edge, 9 years journey. It's going to be here. If you guys are already in Discord, this is where I'm going to do it. Okay. So the course has 9 modules. Okay. I'm going to show you the course before we do it. You see this, guys? This is Traders Edge. This is how we start.
Hey guys, welcome to Traders Edge. This has
Okay. This
been
is
a
going to
course in
be,
the making for the 9 yards. Module 0 to about winning every series out of this. So
okay.
we are everything that is risk management. You guys, okay?
These are
If
the
you don't know
videos you're going
what
to see. All right. That's module number one. So this is WAP. Don't worry about this. As soon as you guys click the link that I'm going to give you guys, you can go through. All right. So there are going to be 9 modules, like I mentioned. Module one will have lessons. Module two. So these are the things that you. So this is my view. Okay, you'll be seeing a different view. Okay, this is my view in my dashboard. So you'll see Traders Edge intro. You have a couple of lessons there. Trading Foundation, TradingView Masterclass. So I've designed this course with my nephew in mind. So if you're someone who doesn't know anything about trading, you can understand the course. Okay, you can. I start from right from candlesticks all the way up to TradingView, how to use it, what I see, what I have, what the tools that I use, risk management, how I use it, how do you trade like a pro, how do professionals do it, how I try to do it, how I'm trying to replicate the results of professionals out there, where you can trade prop firms, individual firms, and all that stuff. All right. Stop hunt. You guys have been asking me for confirmations and the secrets that I still hold with me. Okay. Guys, this is the biggest module. All right. Can I can I make this big? I don't think I can make this big. Okay. So there are 14 lessons when it comes to stop hunt and ash. So as you guys can see, 42 minutes, 19 minutes. It's gonna be a watch. I'm gonna give you all the confluences that I look for. I also backtest the confluences with all the confluences. I backtest for 4 months worth of data. You can see all that. So, and the 313 strategy, what it's like, every single confluence out there, the secret sauce and all that stuff is going to be here. Trading psychology, I've kept it last because listen, trading psychology is the most important thing. So I've kept it last on the course so that you guys get to understand what's important and how to be successful in trading. So this is a complete framework of mine, last 9 years of my journey. So, and also the indicators that I use, I've given access to that. You'll know when you get there. All right. So, guys, without further ado, say hello. Hold on. Hold on. All right. All right. Before that, um, before I give it, there's going to be, you guys are going to have five. Hold on. How do I put it? So I'm going to give you 5 coupons. Okay. When you click checkout in the course link that I'm going to give you right now, you'll have 5 coupons. In the chat, I'm going to give you 5 coupons. I'll give it to you right now. So once you put that coupons, 2 of you guys will get the course for $249. Okay. So this is the pricing. Fuck's sake. You guys made me emotional before this, man. 249 for 2 people. All right. 349 for 3 people. All right. And after that, whoever comes in, it's going to be priced at 479. All right. This is the pricing. Again, as I said, guys, 2 people will have it for 249 with the code I'm going to give you now. Okay. Be ready. 3 people can get it for 349. Again, I'll give you codes for that. That's been limited entry. Excuse me, sorry. And then the rest of the people will have it at 479. This is what I've planned. This is what I'm going to do. Okay, you guys ready? If you guys are in Discord, this is what I'm going to post it. You see this course info. You guys ready? Let's do it. It's in English, man, guys. I'll get back to the comments. Let me just roll the course out right now. Okay. Copy. Guys, say hello to Trader Search, man. 9 years has come to. Guys, this is the link. Can you guys see this? That's the link. Click the link. You'll be taken to the checkout page. Okay. And where is it? You see this? These are the two codes. All right. Traders Edge 249 will be the first code. Second code will be like Traders Edge 349. Copy this, paste it there. All right. So it's officially out. Now it's up to you people. I'll just answer questions. Again, like I said, I'm not going to advertise this thing. It's out there now. I leave it up to you guys if you want to take it or not. It's completely up to you. Okay. Coming back to the content. Um, Sorry, comments. Guys, I'm very happy, man. Yeah. Big respect to you, bro. Thank you, man. Take your time. Thank you, guys. Sumit, bro. Thank you, man. I'm just seeing the comments. Love you, bro. Thank you. No one to share traders' feelings, your community. This is so nice. Darshan, bro. Thanks, man. Let's go about your training course now. Let's. It's out, guys. Now it's up to you, man. Which funded firm you use? I'm using Funding Pips, bro. Congrats on the course, buddy. Sherry, bro. Thanks a lot, man. Guys, it took me a long time to do it. That wasn't easy. That's a lot of videos. That's a lot of preparation. It took me a month, literally a whole month to do it. Yeah, man. It's been quite a lot of work. Will you tell us how much you made in selling courses in case if you already want to sell one? Ray, this is the first one, bro. Um, I have zero experience on selling courses. I have zero experience on actually having a strategy that worked. I finally figured out a strategy that worked. Okay. Now it's up to you people. All right. After course, have instant 100K funded accounts, lol. Daisy, guys, I give you the exact step in the course to get there. Daisy, I don't recommend to get an instant funded account in the course. Trust me. I give you the framework how to get there. It's not going to be easy, guys. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Don't get it wrong. I'm going to promise you this. You're not going to be profitable in the first 3 months. Okay. I've given you work to sit down and do the back testing. I've given you the strategies to actually sit and learn. And then you get to, okay, the, the coursework is the coursework. I'm not going to, rant about it, but I'm telling you this, Daisy, they won't, anyone who gets the course will not, get profitable overnight. There's work to be done in themselves and on the strategies. So this is not a get rich quick scheme by any means. This is education at the finest. That's what I like to see it as. So congrats for the launch. Patel, bro. Thank you, man. Nidhi, bro. Thank you, bro. It's out there, bros. You're a full-time trader. Yeah, man. I am a full-time trader, guys. I do this for a living. Um, if you ask me if I'm successful, I'd like to think so because I've stopped blowing accounts. Oh, what about the 3 on 3 indicator? Oh, forget. I forgot about it. Sorry. Guys, also, the 3 on 3 indicator, right? Guys, right now, I completely forgot about that. I'm going to put it into start adventure, right? That's the 3 on 3 indicator, people. There you go. That's the script for the 3 on 3 indicator. It's pretty accurate. As I told you, I gave it out for free. There you go. Man of my word, as always. Congrats, man, for the course. Thank you, bro. Praveen, bro. Thank you, man. So I can't change my location to India. What do you mean? Can you show how to use it, bro? Guys, my best friend is the tech guy. That's the script. You guys have to Google it on how to paste it in. I have no idea how to paste a script into TradingView. I'm going to be honest with you, okay? My best friend actually adds the indicators into my favorites tab. I use it. I know I'm embarrassed to say this. I'm not a tech guy, but Balaji, bro, thank you, man. Thank you, guys. Guys, without you, would not be possible. Really appreciate each and every single one of you, man. Sorry, got a bit emotional there, but the journey was not easy. To put it into two words, it wasn't easy. It's not easy still. I'm pretty sure we'll get there, but very fortunate and blessed to have had someone with me during the journey, right? That's what made me clog up. I'm very blessed, man. I'm a very blessed guy in all sense of my life. I'm a very happy guy for that reason. Bro, I have 6,000 Indian rupees. How much can I make with that amount? 6,000 will make $60, my brother. Can paste in Pine Editor, add to charts. Exactly, Balaji bro. Guys, Balaji bro gave you the way to add that indicator. Okay, you can do it. Exactly. Course for Tamil guys. Man, the course is for all guys and girls. It's in English, like I always do. It's not engineered for specific people. Even for my nephew, he's gonna have to learn it in English. All right, guys. Let's see. Man, someone already bought it, bro. Congrats, guys. One down. So one coupon has already been claimed. Now it's up to you people. Guys, the trade is running amazing. Let's go. Let's get another TP today, man. Without tears, there's no trader who's been through fire to last long in markets. Ray, 100%, bro. 100%. I totally agree with you, man, guys. Without the hardships, without the negatives, without the losses, without blowing accounts, you'll never become a trader, man. Trust me, it's gonna happen during the course of your journey. You got to accept it. You got to learn from it. You got to keep moving forward. So, but I'm just very happy to have done it with a person. Now I'm very happy because I have all of you guys. I have a community of 363, I think 380 people strong. So you guys can share your hardships. I'll share mine. We're in this together, people. We get this together. We'll keep going. We all been there. Great. Thank you for saying that, man. Going for 2K subs. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Vishal, man. Almost there for 2K subs, man. Let's go. The trade is 1:1. No. Do we need to change the sell to break even? VN, bro. VNE. Hi. Nope. It's up to you, people. I don't take break evens as usual. I will let this run. All right. Bro, indicator update. Yeah, man. The indicator is here, bro. I've given this out. That's it. If you go to start here, you'll get the indicator, man. That's the 3 on 3 indicator, bro. That's it. 4 hour candle is about to open. Fingers crossed. Ali, man, let's see. Guys, the first two is already gone. So there's three more, I think, in terms of coupons. Congrats to the first two who got it, man. You're welcome, bro. Hello, brother. Good morning. What is the logic to this trade? Bro, my stop and zone got breached. Next 5 minute candle was a strong down closing candle. That's my confirmation. Two more confirmations, but that's the high level of it. And then I entered for a 1:3. That's it, man. Simple, guys. The strategy is in the linked comment. You guys can go and get it. Yeah. You guys can actually view a couple of shots. It's a simple strategy that I use, man. 3 signals has been showing up on my screen. Is it valid in 5 minute time frame? I see always you use in 1 minute time frame. Ronnie, bro, the 303, I use it in 1 minute. It will happen in all the time frames because the indicator that my best friend has created, gives you that pattern in whichever time frame you're watching. But it works much better in the 1 minute because of the small stop loss, man. With that strategy, you need guys. I haven't backtested that strategy in 5 minutes. If you can go ahead backtest it in 5 minutes with the confluence, you can go ahead, man. My first TP got hit. Ali, congrats, bro. Congrats on that TP, man. Guys, there's no Telegram. I use Discord. You guys see, this is Discord. This is where my community lives. I want the course. Yeah. So the link to the Discord is in the description, guys. Yeah, 313, I invented it. Ash, I invented it. Stop Hunt was given to me by my friend's mentor. So yeah, guys. Right from scratch. 313 was made by me by scratch. Very successful in terms of the long run. Let's see. I'll show you guys a 1 to 23 live someday. Even what 1 to 40 live someday. Rest of the what? Hopefully. How much date we have back tested the strategy? 2 years, bro. 2 years worth of data for all my strategies. So both of my strategies, 2 years, all the three sessions for 2 years. So I've spent almost 6 months in back testing those strategies alone. It took a long time to me to figure out, add rules to it, add confluences to it, and all that. How can I get the indicator or the strategy? The indicator is free. It's right here on the course. Sorry, it's right here in Start Adventure in Discord. You can just copy paste in Pine script, is it? Yeah. And the course is right here, guys. Uh, so I've given you everything. I've given you everything. Yeah. Let's see. Two gone. Yes, Pine script. Thank you, man. Thank you. Say my name. Uh, how do I get? Okay. Kindly show once how to add the indicator code in TradingView, bro. Again, no clue, man. I don't know how Pine script works. You guys have to Google that, man. Guys, I don't teach anything that I don't know. I'll try to know it, but I don't give out information that I don't know, right? Breaking Bad. Okay. It's from Breaking Bad. Oh, I get it now, bro. Guys, I'll go down shortly for tea. Let's see, man. I know for a fact that my mom was making tea. I could hear it. I'll take a tea break for 10 minutes soon. I'll get a call now. Let's see. Many YouTube videos on how to do it. It's really, really easy. I can teach my grandma to do it. Yeah, right? But I don't want to learn it. Uh, yeah, guys, I'm not an indicator guy. Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you what you said. I'm not an indicator guy, man. I don't like using indicators, but sometimes you have to use it. The lot size indicator is very neat to actually use it. Um, And then the 313, yeah, if you put alerts, man, very, very handy. How much experience do you have in trading? 9 years, man. 3 years part-time, 3 years full-time, bro. In TradingView to the side, there's an icon. Look for a pine. Guys, I know it. I've seen Pine Editor, guys. Copy paste. Gotcha. There's a tab. Pine Editor. Go and paste the code. Dilshan, it is simple, right? But I'm ignorant. I'm ignorant, man. I'll accept it. Sorry, guys. Yeah, man. Um, I know there's Pine Editor. Just go paste it. I think is it this? Yeah, that's fine. Just go here and paste the code here, right? Totally got you, bro. I know how to kind of do it, but if I haven't done it like multiple times, I I don't know. I don't want to give out half-assed information, right? So that's why, guys. Let's see, man. This trade is still running. I might go have tea and come back. Let's see, guys. Clean that thing first, erase it and paste. Gotcha, bro. Side effect of living in Jammu, can't purchase code with the card without providing Indian location. I have to suffer for bastard terrorists and even use VPN. Will wait next time I'll buy from crypto. Bro, I haven't given a location. Ishan, bro, I don't think there's a location to it, but I'm not sure about Jammu, bro. That is tough, but anywhere else in the world, I think you can get access to it. I will check that out for you, man. I don't know, guys. I didn't give specific, locational access to it, or whatnot. I'll check if I could change anything from my end. Yeah, I can't do it live because I don't want to show the intricacies of it in live. Oh, I got you, bro. Thank you, man. Guys, thank you for making it easy for other people to actually access the indicator. Um, Thank you. Save it as indicator. Got you, bro. Dilshan, bro, thank you, man. What did you think? Where will gold move? Hussein, bro, hopefully down to 40.27 to give us a TP. Where else? In Apple Pay, it requires locational verification. Oh, in Apple Pay. Okay. Oh, I see. But bro, if someone is using the credit card, is it required? Ishan, bro? Justin, welcome to Discord. Guys, a lot of you guys joined. Lucius, welcome. Salu, welcome. Jax, hi. Tofik, Hussein, bro. Guys, welcome. Pankaj Kumar, Alan, Louisa, Justin. Guys, welcome, guys. Sir, Sagirio, Sagana, Shadow, Subash, Vinodini, Ajik, Hagzab, HRK. My God, man. Bugima, Ria, and a lot others. Oh my God, that's a long list. Sorry. Welcome to all of you. Usually I do a welcome message, but man, it's been quite hard. But it is had a crypto option as well. I didn't see it in the beginning. Yeah, bro. There are crypto options with WAP. You guys can get it either way. It's up to you. Link to join your Discord. It's in the description below. Hi, Shaker, bro. Hi, bro. Maybe I found a good support at 40.40. Please check once. 40.40. Yeah, bro. Somewhere, yeah. 40.40. Are you talking about this one, bro? Yeah, that's a good zone, man. But when I'm Sudeep, bro, when I'm already in a trade, guys, I don't worry about everything else. Okay, all I want to see is price get to stop loss or price getting to TP. That's the two things that I'm, looking for. Sudeep, bro. Yeah, that looks like a good stop and zone, man. This right here, excuse me. I know that's what you're referring to, bro. Yeah, that's a stop and zone right there. Bro, you have nice accent. How do you practice it? Can you help us? Hussein, bro, definitely, man. Guys, if you want to, be good and get better in English, okay? This is what I did. I had a good schooling. I'll tell you that. I did go to Kendra Vidyalaya. It gave me a good foundation when it comes to English. But the more I watched English series, like series and TV series and movies, initially, Hussein bro, watch it with subtitles. Try reading the subtitles, watch it over and over again. You'll get used to it, man. You guys won't believe this, but my mom, she does not know Hindi, but when she was young, she used to watch Hindi serials, man, in the old ass TVs back then, the big TVs, they used to telecast one show every week, like only one show per week. Okay, I think it was Shaktiman or something like that. She used to watch that show and she taught herself Hindi, man. She didn't know Hindi. She taught herself how to actually talk. I couldn't understand that, but she's told me that if you watch something, if you keep learning every day and try to understand that language, if you live with people like that, talk with them every day, even if it's wrong initially, you'll get it. So, Hussein, bro, my advice for you is to watch ton of movies and CDs and read newspaper maybe and a few books. You'll get the accent, my brother. Not the accent per se, but how to talk English, right? Ads are coming during live. Yeah, man, that's YouTube, bro. I can't help it, man. Your favorite series? Good question. Guys, I've had multiple favorite series over the period. You know, oh, that's you put me on the spot there. My favorite series, oh God. Game of Thrones was in a different stratosphere. Wait. That's not my all-time favorite, guys. Don't get me wrong. That was good, but that's not my all-time favorite. I like feel-good series. My God, I'm completely blank right now in terms of series. Demon Slayer was amazing. Bro, loved it, man. Hilarious. I like anime, but that was in a different zone. Have you guys watched Demon Slayer? Demon Slayer. This. Guys, if you haven't watched it, man, guys, go ahead, bro. This is I love that series, bro. That's magnificent. Huh. Captain Subasha. Have you guys watched this? I'm pretty sure you might not have. This is from my childhood, guys. Captain Subasha. Subasha. Yeah. I used to watch this series when I was very, very young. This is how I learned soccer. This is what inspired me to play soccer professionally, at least initially. This is gold. Man, I absolutely love this. Inuyasha was something that I loved. Tea time, boys and girls. Yellow. Ah, 2 minutes. We don't have newspapers. Come on, guys. You can get it online, right? Mom told you me also. Yeah, bro. Your mom told me also. My mom told. Man, I gotta figure out who this is, bro. Thanks a lot, man. We'll definitely do this. Hussein, bro, you're welcome, man. Even I did my schooling from KV, bro. Sumit, man, which KV did you go to, bro? Wow. Man, I went to KV Minambakam, man. I'm genuinely happy you said that. Have you learned English? Sorry, how you learned English is exactly how I accidentally learned it back in 1986. Ronnie, bro, that's awesome. See, so it does work, doesn't it? Go to e-newspapers. Exactly, Ali, bro. I started watching Vinland Saga, bro. What is Vinland Saga, bro? Nidhi? What is it? Vinland Saga? Bro, how is it, man? What is the Japanese illustrated by, okay, published? What is it about, bro? What is the story about, man? Nidhi? The Walking Dead is my favorite. Oh, I like that series too. I think I watched like 5 seasons of it and then I got bored of it. Yeah, man, I have watched. That's awesome. Card of Game. Card of Game is a series. Sudhir, bro. Card of Game. Is that a series, man? I searched it for you, bro. What have I candle now? Let's see, guys. Guys, I'm gonna have tea. I'll be back after tea, man. Okay, hold on, guys. I'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, hold on for me. It's about revenge story, bro. I completed 7 episodes. Super. Maybe I'll do it, man. Till sixth, I was part of KV2 Faridabad. Sudhir, bro, nice, man. Where is Faridabad again? Oh, Delhi. Maybe hit stop loss. Who knows? Let's see, guys. I'm gonna go have tea and I'll be back. If I get other trades, if this goes to stop loss before I come back, I'll come running. I'll give you trades. Don't worry. When Vinland is goated, bro. Yo, I'll watch it then. Okay, I'll be back, guys. See you in a bit. I'm back, people. Yeah, I think this will take its own sweet time as usual, guys. I'm back from tea. Okay. Oops. I'll come back to the comments, man. Don't worry. All right. That looks pretty. Excuse me. All right. Going back to the comments. This one I watched. Oh, it's awesome. Two series which blow my mind. Okay. Which series is that? Series from. Oh, From and Dark. Absolutely. Bro, From was absolutely glorious to watch. What imagination to have that series. So I've also watched From. My brother suggested that to me, my own brother. He was like, "You have to watch this thing." I was like, "Perfect." I'm waiting for the finale, series finale. I think they're releasing next year. If you guys haven't watched From, you guys have to watch it, man. Okay, it's about revenge story. Okay, I saw that. Haryana, Delhi, bro. Sudhir, bro. If it was in the south, I so KVs in the south they have tournaments, football tournaments, right? If it was in the south, and also if it was in athletic tournament, I would have been there, man. Unfortunately, Sudhir, bro, you live in Delhi, bro. I've never been to Delhi yet. Hopefully soon because my brother moved in to a house last week in Delhi. Let's see if I get to Delhi, bro. Definitely let you know, man. I don't think so, Varun. What happened? Reversal? Let's see, guys. Let's see what happens here. Your room tour, please, please. Guys, there's nothing much to it, man. This is actually not my room. This is my office room. I have this desk. I have a light set up. I have a simple fan here. Oh, I do have my trophies though. I don't know. I don't want to boast, my trophies in life. Maybe someday I will make it. My room tour. Welcome back. Thank you, Sheikh, bro. Thank you for welcoming me back. What are the methods are you analyzing? Yasin, bro, my strategies is in the pinned comments. You can take a look at it, man. While having tea, you were on the phone watching gold chart, right? I sneak peeked once. I'm not gonna lie, and also I peeked at the live because I want to see how many people are still here. It turns out most of you are. You guys also took a break. Re-entry, can we enter? Again, guys, completely up to you, man. Those are my trades. I just show you what I do. Guys, totally up to you, people. Thanks. But yeah, man, because I was a good athlete back in school, so I have a ton of trophies lying around in this room. People will think that I'm showing off. If I show my room, I'm not sure what. But I'll think about it. I will make a house tour maybe someday. My father was in the Navy, so I had the opportunity to come to different places. I studied in KV, Mumbai, Himachal Pradesh, and again, Kolaba in Mumbai. That's awesome, bro. Sumit, man. But you guys are in the north, man. My best friend, he was actually in the north. He went to multiple KV schools in the north initially, and then he came down to the south. Me and my best friend, we met in the 10th grade. So he was transferred to my school. He sat right beside me on day one. Going back to that story, guys. So this is math class, right? This is 10th grade. We were all sitting. The math teacher was actually doing his thing. My best friend walks in. He's a new student coming into the class. He's been transferred midterm. Usually it doesn't happen. People get transferred during the initial phases, right? So right now, I'm sitting with my best friend, meaning I'm sitting with a very good friend of mine since childhood. He's my neighbor, okay? He's the one sharing my desk, okay? The class was completely full. There's no new desk for my new best friend to come and sit. You understand the story? Okay. Hopefully you do. So he walks in, he's standing outside the door. My math cell goes, he called out my friend sitting next to me. He goes, Prithwin, get up. Because there's no seats, right? He said, Prithwin, get up, get out. And he made my best, I mean, chef come and sit beside me, man. That's how I got to know him. And my friend who was sitting beside me goes, "Sir, what did I do?" The sir goes, "Either way, you're not going to learn anything from this class. It's better that you go out and you make room for that new kid who's coming in. Okay, get out." Bro, you should have seen my friend's face, man. That was insane, bro. That was like I was sitting there laughing so hard because he had to just leave just because a new guy came in. My God. Love school days, guys. Love school days. So I know the best friend I always talk to you guys about. I know him from 10th grade. That's the story of how we met. He actually came and sat beside me uh, midterm on 10th grade. And yeah, the rest is history. We've known each other for what? Um, excuse me. 10th grade was, oh, when was it? 2000, 2010, I think. That's back when I was in 10th grade. So now we've known each other for 16 years. Man, that's, yeah, man. All right, going back to the comments. Bro, everything is showing like it's going to go down. Trump tweet scares me. Bombing the weaker dollar. Let's see, guys. Let's see whatever happens, man. It's going to happen. How many lots you traded? This one, I'm not sure how many lots. Let me hold on. Let me get that to you guys. For this one, guys, it's running with 0.09 lots. I think I've risked $100 on this one. If it goes, we're taking a $300 TP. Man, I hope this goes, man, because I've been risking half of what I usually do, $50, because I was in drawdown. Now I needed to, push me way above 50%. Right now I think I'm at almost 60%. I need this trade to go right go my way, this or the next one. Otherwise, I'll be back to break even. I mean, sorry, 50% in drawdown, and I'll again have to de-risk. This has been happening for the last week. So let's see. I think candles are reversing. Get the guys. Don't click on other links, guys. What the? Oh, okay, okay. He's referring to my start. Thank you, bro, Rajesh, bro. I thought that was a scammer, man. Sorry, bro. Thanks, man. So, guys, you gotta be very careful when it comes to scammers, guys. If you guys are new to the community, please be aware of scammers. We've had multiple accounts of people telling me that there are scammers trying to talk to them, posing as me. I will never send you a friend request. I'll never come and talk to you personally, especially after the course is out now. So I've seen this happen in the community that I was 2 years ago. So what they'll do is they'll text you by saying, "Listen, Arvind, you don't have to buy so and so's course for $500. Just send me $100 and I will send you the course." So you will get a random message like that. And people in that community got scammed. They sent $100 to them. They didn't receive the course. Of course, they didn't receive the course. He was a scammer. Okay. Guys, never send money to someone you don't know. I've set up this course in WAP for a reason because that's highly trusted. Make sure you don't send money to random people. Don't get scammed on my account. All right. Be very, very careful, man. Especially for the new people who are coming in. You're going to get messages. You're going to get random links being sent. I will block them as soon as I see it. Okay. If I don't click on any random links, people. Be very, very careful when it comes to online, um, you know, your online presence. Because you never know who's trying to scam you, man. I don't want my people to get scammed. Now it is an Ash. Uh, yeah, man, it's just consolidating at this point, bro. We're not going to know what it's going to do in the next 10, 15 minutes, but let's see, guys. Bro, my father was in the army. That's why I got a chance, an opportunity to live in Secunderabad in my LKG, UKG time. Oh, Sudhir, bro, that's hardcore, man. My father is also a central government employee, and that's why I got an admission in Kendra Vidyalaya, man. Otherwise, they would not let me in. Bro, FTM accounts. Sorry, try FTM accounts. What is that? They're cheaper and check them out once. What is FTM, bro? 4 hour has given Vic. Ali, nice, bro. Other part of the life, I've visited Karnataka, AP, Goa, Maharashtra, MP, JK, Punjab. I'd like to visit your city soon in Kerala. So, there, bro, you're more than welcome, man. If you get to Chennai, man, give me a call, bro. Give me a text, give me a call, do everything. Let's meet up, man, if you get to Chennai, bro. I'll be more than happy to meet you, man. Can we re-enter now? Varun, bro, I have no clue what's going to happen to this trade. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you guys. See, every trade, if I get a setup, I'm going to take it. I don't know what's going to happen. If I knew, I'd tell you guys to like jump with your life savings on it. Okay, it's a game of numbers and probabilities. Okay, you win some, you lose some, but I leave it up to you guys to enter or exit or do whatever. This is again for my friends from RBI. This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a CB advised, sorry, CB registered advisor. I gotta make things clear, man. I don't want to disappoint you, but it seems to go up and hit um, support and reverse again. Rajesh, bro, you won't disappoint me, man. Guys, listen, the number of stop losses I've taken over the years has made me numb to stop losses. Right now, I have zero emotions, Rajesh, bro. I don't care if this goes to stop loss or TP, man. At the end of the day, bro, this will be just a number for me in my sheet. Okay. Once I have all these for the last 6 months, if I have data like this in the next 6 months, bro, everything is gonna take care of itself, man. Right? Guys, do not put emotions into your trades. As once you're in, that's it. You just set it, forget it. At the end of the day, it's all data, guys. It's all fake numbers out there. As long as you don't get that money into your pocket, man, it's all fake numbers, bro. Any number in your bank account, you think that's money? Nope. Once you take out the cash or once you spend it somewhere, that's money. If it's lying in a fake challenge account, ooh, then why do you have to, you know, get tied up emotionally to it? It's all fake money either way, isn't it? So don't get emotionally attached to your trades. Yeah, you get your setup, you take the trade, you wait for it to go to stop loss or TP. That's all you do. You rinse and repeat the same process until you pass your account, until you get to better places in life, right? It's the process that matters. It's not individual trades. I hope you guys understand this because when I understood this fact, my complete psychology shifted from being scared when the price was, in and around break even and in and around stop losses. After I realized the fact that it's all fake money, who cares? So 6 months of data is going to be the one that makes the difference in life. Then I stopped worrying about individual trades, man. It all became normal for me, and the stress level went down 70%. I hope you guys can relate to it and understand what I'm trying to say. Funded trader markets a good prop from, bro. Okay, and now I understood, man. You guys have to be clear. Yeah, bro. If there are enough people having payouts from the prop firms, if they have a good track record for at least 7 to 8 years, then and only then I'll consider switching prop firms. Right now, I'm very happy with funding pips, man. Very, very strong user interface, good execution, good track record in terms of payout. So for now, bro, I think I'll stick with them until and otherwise they prove themselves wrong, man. Bro, Tamil, bro. Yeah, man, I'm Tamil, bro. I'm from Chennai, man. Be careful meeting someone, please. Okay. Uh, I have to be, right? But I think the people that I see in my community so far, good people, man. Good people. Yeah, I have to be careful. I'll check from afar if they're trying to rob me. Don't fall for low ballers, guys. Learn from the traders who does live every day and from your mistakes, obviously. Absolutely, guys. I'm here, man. I'm here every day. And guys, I don't delete my videos, man. You can go back in my live sessions. I'm not a fake guy to, take a couple of stop losses and then go back, delete it, or, change the signals that have been given out already in the channel, or change the messages in Discord. Nah, man. It's everything out in the open. You guys can go check every trade that I've taken in the last, not every trade, but in the live sessions for the last 2.5 months. It's all there in YouTube for you to see. Still, I'm traveling in Uttarakhand with my friend and watching your live from hotel. I'm trying to avoid to trade only live to watch your live stream. So I'll come soon to your city, man. So there, bro, you watch me even when you're traveling, man. Thank you so much, man. It means a lot, bro. You're a genuine soul, man. Bro, I think I texted you. I didn't in Insta. I don't think you saw the message, man. So definitely let me know, man, when you come back. When you come to Chennai or Kerala, bro. How to withdraw money without account freeze, bro. You can use Rise, guys. I think they're pretty legal in India. Just figure out how to use them. I think you need. I think you need a current account for it if you're in India, man. No one knows when market reverse. It can either fake out or it can continue. It's all up to trading gods. You just have to be consistent on what you do. Christian, bro. Exactly, man. Well said, my brother. Well said. Only the trading gods know what the hell is going to happen because who knows, man. Now Trump can wake up in the middle of the night and say, "F you, Iran, I'm gonna kill you," and then market is gonna go haywire. Who knows, man? You just that's an example. It's a funny example. It's just a joke. Don't take offense, people. I'm getting payout from FDM, bro. Nice, man. That's good, bro. That's good. What's happening in the chart? Can you explain, bro? Right now it's just consolidating, man. I waited for my stop hunt and I got in at 610. Right now, price is heavily consolidating. Let's see. Let's see. The TP is fixed at 1:3. Stop loss is right here. It's either going to take or that. I'm going to wait either way, right? If I get another 3-on-3 trade, guys, I'll definitely let you know. Okay, for now, we just we're just watching. And my best friend just texted that we need only 23 subs more to get to 2,000. Yes, sir. That's what we need. Let's go. What a landmark, right? Guys, I've told this before. So it took me 2 months to get to 1,000 subs, and it's taking me 2.5 weeks to get to almost 2,000 subs. So 1,000 subs for 2 months, and then 800 subs in the next 2.5 weeks. Sorry, 977 subs. Man, this is amazing, bro. By following you, bro. Oh, bro, you're getting a payout by following me? Is that what you're saying, bro? Crystal Shadow? We are inside the 15 minutes. But if you start, bro, yeah, let's see, man. Yeah, bro, you got it. Bro, man, congrats, man. I'm so happy, bro. Yo, once you get the payout, put that in Discord, man. That's motivation right there, my brother. Yo, do I have your name here, man? Let me check. Crystal. Bro, why don't I have your name here, bro? Crystal Shadow, bro. Why don't I have your name, man? I'm usually good with names when it comes to it. You haven't told me your name yet, man. I've been calling you Crystal Shadow, bro. But by the way, man, congrats on the payout, bro. I'm very happy, bro. Guys, you guys are doing really well. I'm exuberant right now. Thank you. Bro, successfully added the indicator. How do you use it? Bro, awesome. You've learned how to add an indicator in Pine Chart. Congratulations, man. I have to teach myself to do it. So, how to use it? It'll give you every 3-on-3 and 3-to-3 that comes on the charts in 1 minute. You're waiting for that supply to be tapped. You can see the video in the pinned comments on how to use it. But again, there is a very important confluence that's missing. You need to understand the strategy deeply. So be careful, guys. Not every 3-on-3, 3-to-3 work. There are confluences missing that have, you know, there's only so much that I can give, in YouTube, right? So we re-entered shots again. What say? Ray? I'm in it again, bro. Sorry, I'm in it already. What's the point of going in again? Yeah, bro. Christian, bro, definitely, man. Just put into pine scripts. Shadows me. I joined your Discord today. Oh, that's good, bro. So what do you want me to call you, bro? Shadow or Crystal? Oh, wow. I mean, is there available pine code? Yeah, bro. It's right here, man. Guys, again, start adventure. Go to start adventure. Click this. Right there. You have the indicator. Okay? Don't complicate it. Shadow, I'll call you Shadow, man. Congrats on the payout, though, bro. Very happy for you, bro. Guys, I am going to be honest with you. The last 2 weeks has been brilliant, especially with Stop Hunt and bloody Ash. Amazing, man. But I'm going to give time for 3 on 3 to prove itself. Again, it's a beautiful strategy. It works in the long term. Definitely never abandoning my strategies, but man, we've had a beautiful patch. Before that, I did have like 10 cells on a trot with the strategy. But after that, man, it's just been glorious, bro. Look at that last week. Wow, last 3 weeks has been good. The trading gods have been good to us with Ash and stop hunts. Let's see if we can replicate that this month. If that's the case, it'll be awesome. I came daily, but last two lives I missed by sleeping. Crystal bro, shout out, bro. Listen, you last 2 days you missed. So what have you missed? You have so last Friday I missed. What do you call it? So we had to get out of the trade. It did go to 1:3, but there was news. I don't trade news, so I got out manually. That's the only time I got out in the month. That went to TP, and also on Thursday, I think that is, yeah, on Thursday there was a stop loss and a TP. So 1:2 up for that day with the strategy. You're welcome, man. KJ, hi, bro. Good morning, man. Yes, I'm having muscular trouble here. First day on your stream, Akshay. Welcome, man. Um, Thank you for joining, bro. Happy to have you, man. How do you like it so far, bro? Yeah, we haven't got a TP on stream today like the last 2 weeks, but we'll get there, man. Yet this trade is still running though. So yet it might go to TP or SL. Who knows? Fingers crossed. Bro, a 3 on 3 strategy, 16 errors in MT5 editor I paste. You can't do it in MT5, man. It's a script for TradingView, my brother. Why do you want to put it there, man? Is it forming higher highs and higher lows here? No clue, bro. It's just consolidating, man. There's no highs or lows here. It's absolute consolidation. It's mayhem right here. Bro, can you please 30 minutes candle? What's so there, bro? What's in 30 minutes candle, man? Guys, it's raining cats and dogs here in Chennai. Not exactly cats and dogs, but it's raining. It was raining cats and dogs last night, but I slept through it like a baby. Woke up the next morning and my car was washed for free. And I was like, what happened here? My dad goes, you slept through it. Sudeep, bro, what about Delhi, man? How's Delhi like today? Kindly tell me how to paste it in TradingView. Guys, this is called Pine Editor. You see this to the right? You see this mountain? Click it. I might as well teach you guys. Okay. Copy paste that thing into this and maybe publish script or whatever. The last part, you got to figure that out. Okay. That's it. Click that mountain, people. Mountain. Let's see, guys. We're waiting for this. Let's wait and watch, people. Bro, we all believe in you. That's why we're here. Only we love to learn from you. You're amazing, bro. So, man, thanks a lot, bro. You're amazing as usual, bro. Thank you for saying that, man. I have no words for you, man. Thank you, bro. Bro, tell me you complete the phase one challenge funding pips and send this and your certificate. Bro, if you want to believe me, you believe me. If you're not, next stream, right? I've shown that multiple times. You can go back and look at it. I just don't want to be, proving myself time and time again. You have all my data. I'm a completely open guy. Nah, man. If you like me, if you want me here, be here, man. You want to see my certificate? You're looking so confident, bro. Great future, bro. Paddy, man, thank you so much for saying that, bro. Um, Appreciate it, my brother. Yeah, bro. I've got so many hits during the last 3 years full time. Now stop losses don't affect me, man. That's where the confidence comes from, bro. So thank you for saying that, man. Can you give me an overview on how to withdraw INR from funding pips profits? Bro, you can actually get it from apps, man. You get it through Rice. I think a lot of people are talking about it. I haven't got it myself. When I get my first payout, guys, I'll give you the whole process. No point in telling you what you should do because I don't have experience of doing it, right? Definitely. Auto and you'll be applied for and what? Auto send you will be apply for this. What are you saying, bro? No clue what he's saying. Stop loss hitting is the part of trading. Just cool and wait for success. That's it. Exactly, my brother. Exactly. Bro, to understand that, it took me a lot of time. Okay. Um, since I started trading, my initial journey was in stocks, so I didn't have a notion of stop loss, right? So for me to understand risk management, stop loss, and all the, all this stuff, it took me a long time. So for someone coming from stock to then BTC, even with BTC, I don't have stop losses. I didn't have stop losses back then, and then I understood. Okay, listen, stop loss is the thing. You should keep it. This is how much you should risk per trade. These are all the things that I learned along the way in the journey. And right now, I'm in a place where this doesn't bother me, right? So I've seen it so much during the last 3 years, not even 3 years, the last 5 years. Now I'm very immune to it. I think that's the process. That's how it works when it comes to your psychology. It takes time for you to get used to certain things. And once you get used to it, it doesn't bother you and you keep going, right? Well said, bro. You're trading in challenge phase or master account, bro. I'm in the second step of funding pips account, bro. Second step. 25K, what is it called? Standard account. Let's see, guys. Sorry. I haven't slept properly, man. Guys, it's a lovely Monday. Let's see what happens. Man, I wish we caught it up here, bro. So this was taken, right? Bro, Delhi full of hot weather. That's why I don't have choice. sorry, I don't have choice to move because I have business there. I'm a government contractor. Once I go to trading, I learn properly and move somewhere. So there, bro, that's awesome that you're doing business. But before you get a couple of big checks from funding pips, man, do not let it go, okay? Or any other prop firm or trading for that matter. Always, guys, do not leave your jobs, your careers, and your business for trading before getting a couple of fat paychecks. If you want to survive here, man, you need those fat paychecks, right? Don't do the mistakes that I've done. I'm a very risky guy, bro. I jump through things, man. If I see something, if I like it, I'm going to jump through with my head first, man. So that's how I do it. I hope you guys don't do it. And all the best, bro. Today, bro, I'm pretty sure, man, you'll be very successful, man. Wildly successful. So all the best. All right, we're getting an anticlimax here. Let's go. First stop loss for what is it? Stop hunt for the week. All right, guys. If this goes to stop loss, I'll look for other entries. Maybe the previous high. Let's see. Let's see. You're still in it. That's why we have a buffer with the stop loss. You never know. Like how Danny Bro had it. Where was it? This can so easily happen. That was Danny Bro's last trade. Was it Danny? Yeah, man, that that was Danny Bro's last trade in Friday. Man, that can happen, guys, You always hold on to your trades, just don't close it just because price is rushing towards stop loss. Man, that was glorious to see, bro. Danny Bro, you're fire, man. Dude, when Ash is detected and failed to do trade is when I take TP. It looks like magic. Sorry, let me try to understand that. So Ash reversals? Oh, okay. Is that what you're saying, bro? MTX? Sorry, MTY? It's going to get a reversal. Let's see, boys and girls. See your chart. It seems like protecting next trades. BC, you can trade those. It's like liquidity grab, and then boom, your buy is in profit. I take the opposite trade, bro. Good, man. Good, guys. Get trades and take trades, whichever your strategy says to. Okay. Mine works different. Mine has different confluences. I trade liquidity very differently than the other people out there. I don't just look for reversals, I also look for continuations. Okay. I look for reactions from those areas. I don't think of the liquidity areas as reversal zones. For me, it's just a very important area to be vigilant about, right? So my own strategy, different tools. What is your stat? 36% win rate with this strategy with a 1 to 3 for the last month. That's my stat. Still in the green. Ah, buddy, what broker do you use? Hi, I use funding pips, guys. No brokers. I don't do personal accounts in India because I don't think that's legal. People, I don't think guys can trade XAUUSD in India legally. I think it's a fact. I'm pretty sure it's a fact. So everything is legal for the RBI people who are watching. Completely legal in your terms. I used Lucid. Sorry, I used Lucid. It's the best for me. Awesome, bro. Guys, I've been hearing about Lucid quite a bit in the last month or so. Let me know if you guys have taken payouts and if they're reliable. I can also think about them, right? How about the how about the rules? Because I think there are futures for them, are they? If the Hessel, sorry, if hits Hessel, what might be the next reason behind it? Ali, bro, the reason is the market wasn't agreeing with us with that setup, bro. Guys, do not look for reasons when market does a certain things.
When you try to understand what market does and why it does it, you're going to lose your mind trying to figure out each and every step of it. Guys, every stop loss, every trade, you just put and forget. Not everything will go to TP. Okay, if it doesn't go to TP, it doesn't. They There shouldn't be any reason behind it. My strategy is not bulletproof. I'm 100% sure that none of the people out there will have a 100% win rate strategy, right? So trust your edge. Don't try to look for reasons when it goes to stop loss and whatnot. If you have a strategy which works 40% of the times, so 4 trades out of 10 trades with the 1:3 stop loss, you're going to be wildly successful, man. That's what I keep saying, people. You don't need an 80% win rate, guys. That's a myth. Don't don't try to chase myths. I'm tired of chasing myths. That's why I'm very content right now, guys. This last month, I'm gonna show you, man. Look, last month, guys, top end strategy with combined with Ash only had a 37% win rate. Okay, do the math. 37% win rate out of 40 trades. Okay, I took 25 losses. This is all in YouTube. You can go check every single trade out with the dates. Okay, these are the results of the past month. Okay. Um, Total wins, I won 15 trades out of the 40 trades. Okay. Those were 99, sorry, 96% of that was 1:3s. As you guys can see, everything is 1:3 here. Only this was 1:1.85. It went to 1:3, but I had to jump out because of news. Okay. Even if I'm taking only 15 take profits, that's 15 into 3. That's 1:45 risk to reward right there. Okay. Even if you minus the 25, I'm still up in the account. If I'm risking $100 for the whole month, which I couldn't because my account went below 50% in drawdown. But if I risked $100 on each and every one of these trades, very, very successful for the month, right? So, guys, stop chasing myths. You can't get a strategy with a 95% win rate with a 1:3. Man, that's that's wild. If you get it, man, hit me up. Let me know. I'll switch my strategies, bro. Because that's not easy. 1:9, sorry, 1:3 with a 90% win rate. I've never seen that happen. In my experience, that is. I'm not saying it's impossible, it might be out there, but when you guys stop looking for better strategies out there and start trusting the strategy that you have in your hand, which has a 1:42 or 1:50 win rate, with a 1:2 or a 1:3, man, you're gonna make it, bro. Now the question is, you have the strategy. Do you have the marbles to execute that strategy every time it shows up, regardless of the trend, regardless of what the fundamental goddamn says? Because it's not going to matter unless and until there's a red folder news. Do not worry about the fundamentals. Okay, if you can put your strategy in the market and test it, live test it like how you do it in backtesting, then you get results. So if you, let's say, if you have the backtesting results for 2 years or 1 year worth of data, which proves that your strategy has a 40% win rate with a 1:3, your backtest will only work if you're taking each and every trade you live. So it'll only work if you're trading live, taking every single trade like how you did it in the backtest. So in backtest, you're not worried about trends, you're not worried about fundamentals and all that shit, right? You just look at the hindsight and just mark TPSL on the backtest. So when you do that in the backtest and when that was successful, why do you have to worry about fundamentals when it comes to live markets? The hell with fundamentals. You didn't look at it when you were backtesting. Definitely you didn't know what the hell it was happening in the last 2 years ago. How will you know if it's not red folder news? You don't have the data to prove it, right? There was a Afghanistan war back then, Syrian war back then happening, but you didn't care about all that while you were backtesting. Then why do you have to care about fundamentals when it comes to live, right? I don't care about fundamentals when it comes to live. If my strategy says it, I have the data to prove it, I'm going to execute it today. So in the next 6 months, I'll get the result, the right result of my strategy. Okay, yeah, I'm going to take a in the way, but if I get a 40% win rate with the 1:3, I'm successful. If I have $1 million in funding, I'm taking $100,000 payouts every year, minimum, right? So, guys, trust your strategy. Don't look for freaking news. Don't look for, is it reversing? Is it a uptrend? Am I getting a higher probability setup here? Does it look pretty? You do all that, man, you're going to lose your setup, man. You're going to lose. The data, that's not the right data. If you miss a few trades here and there, you're not collecting the right data in live markets. How can you prove that your strategy works or not? Once you take all the setups that you get in live market, like how you did it in your past back testing, that's when you have the right data to prove your strategy works or not. Did I rant too much? All right. Ash is genius. It happens so often. Either way, it's great. It's just powerful. Thank you, man. That's my own strategy, so I'm proud of it too. My theory is either you make money in trading or you gain knowledge and experience. Ali, bro, definitely, man. It gives you life lessons, guys. The things that I've learned from trading, guys. I'm trying to apply it in my own life. The patience it teaches you, and I'm very bad of being patient, man. But trading has taught me a lot of patience. I'm trying to, let that leak into my personal life because the situations that we get into everyday life when you're driving, when you're with your parents, when you're with your wife, your husband, your kids, you need a lot of patience. Especially when I'm driving, bro, I need a lot of patience, man. The number of mindless people out there who disregard rules nowadays, guys, you need patience. So trading is something that's teaching me life lessons every day. Also, today also they had news at 7:30, sir. Did you close it? No, Patel, bro. What then? What's the news? I don't see any news, man. Today is what? The 3rd of August, right? This is 3rd of August. I don't have any red folder news, Patel ji. So I have it at tonight at, you see this? This is 7:30 in the night. That's 7:30 p.m. So nope. If I don't have red folder news, I won't close it, guys. Guys, I'll be here for the next 15 minutes. So if you have any questions, shoot. I say that I made money when I'm here. I'm a scalper. Thanks to you, I'm getting better. 313 is genius. 323, I'm still doing that on demo. MTY, bro, you're welcome, man. I'm happy you're trading it. I'm happy you're making money out of it. Congrats, man. Deeply grateful for my young, wise friend. MTY, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please check BTC, please. If you ask me that kindly, man, I'm going to check BTC for you, bro. You're very kind, my brother. What is BTC doing, people? It's sitting at 63K. Man, I love this, bro. You see, stop hunt will work, guys. Look, that's the high. Price swept it. That's the sweep. That's the red entry I would have been in. Okay. This is what I would have done if I was trading it. Stop loss with a buffer. So that's the usual stop loss. But if I have the buffer there, man, that would have been the trade this morning if I was trading BTC, right? That's 1:3 right there. I'm done for the day. I'm going to sleep then. I love BTC, man. Let's go back to reality. Guys, BTC was amazing to me. It gave me the fuel to actually keep going in trading. I'm very grateful for BTC, guys. I see trading as an auctioneer versus auction. The best way to see through volume profile, view app, overflow for confirmations. Guys, again, you can trade the market a million ways. It's great that you're looking for view app and you know the volumes. Exactly, man. That's a good thing to do. Because I'm going to get my first prop firm account. I'm still an MT4 dinosaur. So don't worry. If you get your first prop firm account, I'll be the first person who'll be very, very happy for you. Congrats on that. Keep doing it. Keep learning. You'll get there. Trust me, you'll get multiple playouts from it. MT4 dinosaur. I love that. Yeah, hell, agreed. I hate getting out in traffic. They hate following rules. I don't know why. Ali, bro, yeah, man. Insane. People nowadays, bro, absolutely insane, man. They drive their bikes in footpaths, bro. Oh my God. What's happening to people nowadays, man? Zero patience, guys. Hate it. I did check BTC. Congrats that I did. Auto block at 6 a.m. Can you tell me if it's an auto block? KJ, bro, I don't know what exactly an auto block is. I've read about it. I actually don't know what constitutes an order block. Is that an order block here? Guys, I'm not an SMC trader. I cannot give you pointers on SMC or ICT or CRT for that matter. KJ, not the right guy to ask, man. I just trade price actions, my brother. Reality hits harder. Let's go. So you have trade BTC. What is your strategy to trade BTC? Patel, bro, I used to trade BTC. So this is what I used to do. Okay. Back in the bull markets, so BTC just keeps on going up, right? What I used to do was I entered, let's say, for example, at $30,000, because I did enter back in $20,000 back in 2020. $25,000 I enter. I keep my liquidity, meaning I enter with a very small position, okay, with leverage. All right. So let's say I'm entering, I'm not sure about the lot sizes and all that stuff. It's been a while. Um, I'll take a smaller position with, they call it liquidity. Okay, you'll get liquidated when price gets to a certain point. So I'll keep my liquidation down $10,000 or $20,000. Okay, and then for price to go down and take $20,000, it's going to be hard, right? And then I'll take short trades towards the upside. Okay, that's what I did. That's what I used to do. There's no stop loss. So if price goes $20,000 below, you'll get liquidated, meaning all the money is gone on that account. That's called liquidation. Right? Bro, I was very successful doing that, man. At least initially. And there came a point where one trade just wiped everything, wiped all the money in the account because it went to eventually the liquidation point. And that's when I figured out, okay, listen, this is not going to work out for the long time. You need to protect your account with stop losses and whatnot. One trade should not one trade should not obliterate your complete life savings. That's when I switched to Forex and gold, man. Are you in sell, bro? Can we get in? Mickey, Mikey? I'm not sure, bro, if you want to get in or not, but I'm in a trade, man. This is my second trade for today. I'll take two more trades for today. I'll be here for the next 10 minutes. If something happens now, I'll show you the trades. If not, you have to wait for my messages in Discord. The genius of Ash is that it is a specific and precise form of bottom top of bottom or double bottom, a more powerful form. Bro, I'm really surprised that even I'm completely mind boggled by the results of Ash. Listen, guys, we implemented Ash, I think the 3rd of July. That's when I put Ash in. From this point on, 6th of July, we've been trading Ash as well as top hunts. Brilliant, bro. Brilliant. Yeah, I did have a rough patch here, but after that, guys, consistent take profits every day, man. It's been good so far. MTY, bro, I'm glad you agree. But this was a stop on trade, though. Full disclosure, this was a stop on trade. Ash is smaller zones. I will make a video maybe tomorrow or day after on Ash. Don't worry. I'm not sure if I'm making that video now, but I will make a video on that. Bro, I'm happy that you love the strategy, man. I'm very happy that you do. Guys, 9 more minutes. Let's see if price wants to do whatever it wants to do right now. Um, if it gives me another trade, I'll let you know, okay? I'm happy we figured out Dash, man, because if I weren't in drawdown, so if the things didn't happen the way it did, I would have never figured out Ash, people. Ash is something that I've stumbled into. It turns out to be very, very good, to be honest. Last 3 weeks results were mind-blowing for Ash. Hopefully, we follow that for the long term. We'll keep getting it. Man, in the next 6 months, we'll have above a 10K payout in that. I'm pretty confident with the results we've got so far. Dude, I'm overdosed on Ash Bar replay tonight. Do you mind if I make a little Manual for the indicator. How to install manual. Okay, how to install and everything. I'm good at that. I'm an SYS engineer. Bro, knock yourselves out, man. Get an indicator if you want. Um, you can post it on Discord as long as it's legit. I will let it happen. All right. But sure, man, do it, bro. But I'm not gonna sell that indicator though. I'll say that to you on live. I don't like selling indicators. I don't like selling signals. But I'll test it out. I'll let you know if it works. Thank you for the offer though. And guys, there are other people reaching out to me for endorsements. They want to have the banner in live streams. Nah, man. If I'll only advertise things that I actually believe in. Funding pips, until now, they haven't done anything wrong to me. So I do like funding pips, but I'm not going to advertise any random things here, boys. My live streams are sacred. I'll only advertise things that I actually completely, totally, blindly believe in. So for people who want to advertise in my streams, I'm sorry. If I don't believe in it, I'm not showing it to my community. Not happening. I do not sell anything. I write my own indicators. That's awesome, bro. Bro, don't get me wrong. That wasn't, you know, directed at you. I'm talking to someone else. Don't worry. Bro, MTY, bro, that's not for you, man. Sorry if if that came out wrong, but it's not for you. Best prop firms out there, funding pips. Ali, bro, totally agree, man. Pretty consistent in terms of payouts that I've heard of. Guys, I'll let you know when I take one. All right, guys, 5 more minutes. Man, last Friday was good, bro. We almost got the TP in the live session. That's always good, man. Let's see what happens here, guys. Even if this gets breached, if it gets breached, this is what I'll be looking for. Okay. So this ash zone is absolutely pretty up here. Okay. Um, if anything that's created after the stop loss, if it goes there, I'll also look for other ash zones. All right. And when it comes to stop ons, this also looks very good. Okay. That's stop on right there, people. So if you want to watch and understand and learn after this live session of mine, you can definitely go ahead and look at if and when price gets to these areas, see how it reacts. Wait for the next 5 minute candle and see if there is a strong confirmation towards the upside or the downside. Majority of the times, especially with Ash, you're going to get, you know, good setups. But right now, guys, we're still alive in this trade. I'm not going to close trades prematurely. You guys know me better than that. Let's see. Bro, can't find your 3-on-3 indicator on Discord. Can you tell me which section? Yeah, bro. It's right here, man. Go to start adventure. You see this? So it's under welcome and info. You have welcome announcement rules and then start adventure. It's right there, my brother. That's why you start your adventure with life trade and adventure. Discord. Ash. Boom boom. Ash ash. Boom boom. Is that a is that a song? Is hedging prohibited on funding pips? Yes, sir. John, sir. Bro, it is prohibited, man. You cannot hedge, you cannot take buys and sells at the same time. They will blow your account. Don't do it, guys. It will go to TP, brother. All looks good. Josh, I hope it does. Thank you for saying that. Got it. Thanks. You're welcome, bro. Is Fivers best to go with? I have been hearing about Fivers for a bit, but guys, I'm not sure how long have Fivers been on the space. I don't have an idea about that. So, guys, when I'm thinking about prop firms, I want them to be around for at least 8 to 10 years, and I want them to consistently pay out people. I don't want them even 5 to 10 people say I'm not getting payouts. These guys are trying to scam me. I won't go to them, man. I haven't seen that happen even once with Top Step. If you guys have Top Step, if you have a good strategy, just take Top Step, man. Amazing prop firm, bro. I've traded with them for the longest period of time that I can remember. But I was having an issue with their monthly billing. That was something that I couldn't hold on to. They bill monthly. So if you don't pass the account within 1 month, they're going to bill you again. That put useless pressure on my brain. I didn't want that. So, but I will get to top step, I think, next month. I will get a 150K account and then start trading that account. I'll do it live, don't worry. I think so too. It'll go to TP. Ali, bro, let's see, man. 10 years? Oh, good. John, bro, if they've been around for 10 years, if they have consistent payout track record, bro, then definitely, if you like the rules and stuff, man, you can definitely go ahead, bro. Hey, man, can you show the indicator works on the chart? Bro, of course the indicator works in the chart, man. That's the 313 right there. You see this? The yellow thingy, 3, 1, and then 3. That's the indicator. I'm taking a buy TP at 4104. It's good, bro. All the best. Guys, that's the indicator working. You see that? The yellow things that show up, that's the indicator that works. All right. All right, guys. I'm almost done for today. That's the last question I'll answer. Okay. I've already tapped that one thing, green candle C. It takes the sellers from the supply zone and comes down as per my perspective. KJ, good, bro. Boys and girls, it's been an amazing session. It's been an amazing journey so far. I think it's almost 2.5 months into live trading. I'm loving this. I get to meet a lot of you people. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to the community. You can talk to me in Discord. It's in the description. But my time is done for today. I had a hoot as usual. I had fun. Always nice talking to you people. Always happy to meet new people that come to the community. If you have any questions, put it down on Discord. This is Arvind Raini. I'm so happy that I couldn't even finish it. This is Arvind Rangaswamy signing off. I hope you guys have an amazing day ahead. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, exactly at the same timings, 5:30 to 8:45. I'll be here, IST. So whenever Tokyo starts up for you, I'll be here. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.